Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yo, people, wagwan. Me ride and whistle, you know. I ride and whistle and think. Big up on yourself. Somebody said I'm going to look for Java. Java. Java afraid of TikTok, you know. Java afraid of TikTok, man. Java afraid of TikTok. She afraid of TikTok. She afraid of TikTok. She afraid of TikTok. Like, whoa, poor thing, you know. And you know, say, coffee me I work with in I mug today and thing. Queen Nash, big up yourself. You beard today, Queen Nash. Whoop your beard, you know. Oh, that me just said to you, you know. Shade. Nah, man. Some big cup of coffee. Me coffee. Oh, the song go the Jamaican, yeah, Juliet Legore, them afraid of TikTok, man. Oh, the song go again, me coffee, me sitting and boiling coffee. Oh, we go, I care for none of them. The only thing for me is me cup of boiling coffee in the morning. Yeah, I saw it go down. Yo, Taff, big up peaches and cream. Me see you, and everything is everything. Wagwan people, wagwan. Yeah, a bowl, them say. You know, I said the bowl come back to me, but me I say, why them say bowl? Who drink a bowl? Yeah. Me coffee, me bowl. I'm singing it bad. I'm off key or whatever. Me bowl of boiling coffee. I don't care for none of them. The only thing for me is me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. TikTok boss, big up, you know. Yeah, this sound like a day where we would have sing some traditional Jamaican folk song. You know what I say? Evening time, work is over now. It's evening time. We dey walk for mountain, I walk for mountain, I walk for mountain. Ding dang ding dang ding dang ding. Da 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 da, pass me the nandanti. I am the number Sierra. That'll be a fat man sing though. Feel the evening breeze. Evening time, work is over now, it's evening time. And we dey walk for mountain, I walk for mountain, I walk for. Listen to me now, man, big up on yourself, you know, wagwan. No good. No good, who they are, Shade. Large up on yourself, man. Adari. Who say you early, my boss? Me late. You know, say me 20 minutes late. You don't even know wagwan. Somebody say me early, I'm 20 minutes late. At 6 o'clock, the show for the What's in Your Cup. Who remember that song there? What's in my cup? What's in my cup? In my, forgot what you did name. Richie sitting on it. Tab say from 5:55, you know, yeah, what's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup and whatever. No, big and serious though. We're going with the item, everything proper, everything balance up. You know, some I want mix up one, but I really two mix up in a one. But yeah, you know, some I really enough to say the second part though, you know. Marine enough, I don't know, you know, because what we are interested in over here is a mix-up, you know. We don't want to cause a problem in our people. Even though I don't know the people them and thing, but it's a weird little something, you know. You know what? I'm not calling no name, obviously, but I always tell people do not use any information where people will be able to zero in on who it is. Even though you not call them name, just based on the information, you can know say, oh, I so and so, you know. Other part there. What you said, Dan, go school today, khaki, down. No, down, this is not khaki. This is tan. Some white people, this is tan, you know. Yeah. But no, them say khaki. Yo, white people love khaki pants, you know. The white man, them don't. Them love khaki pants. It's like a part of them staple dress, you know. But them will wear khaki pants with like a blue blazer, you know, like a blue blazer with gold button and thing or whatever. It's like the preppy look. Yeah, when I was in college, my college friends, they were into that type of thing, that type of look. And I must say that I did indulge for a while. Yeah, very kind of bunks it. Right, did you ever see me in a look, you know, whatever blue blazer, you know that thing there where you put your little sweater over your shoulder and tie it, right? Just so, you know, I see Miss Cherry Boy, what in my preps. Listen to me, okay? Sham Sweetness, big up yourself. All of my SDC ladies, them large upon yourself. Why? I'm just relishing the victory that we will all have at Ragabash. Chumpy, you buy 4 tickets. Chumpy good, me can't tell you no them type of business they with Chumpy. Chumpy buy 4 tickets. Chumpy pay him $600 for 4 ultra VIP. And of course it's Chumpy. So it's actually a woman buy the ticket. You know we are talking about Chumpy, you know? So Chumpy, we're not going to that part there in business, but just know, say, who fi buy the ticket. And Chumpy bring 2 other women, so Chumpy coming with 3 women. Me don't tell you that already, because the woman tell me, I make me know. All right. Star, right? Star, right? Somehow don't know that word. One of the problem know, because Ninja Man did carry it over. But Dan Gargan, you understand? Chumpy know them word there and at least. But Chumpy, here where me I say to you right now. Chumpy, the ANC cabana go dead there, right? Chumpy, me rate you, you know. Because your article, you know, you're real you to the thing, you know, you come from our time, you understand, seeing? So Chumpy, when you're there, Ragabash, just one thing me I gotta ask you. Because you have Ultra VIP, that means you can't go anywhere with Ultra VIP. Don't go over the ANC cabana. If you feel like, you know, leave Ultra VIP, go over VIP, go in at the regular era, fine. If you want stop on cabana, you can just come over SDC and reason and thing. But Chumpy, me keep it 100 with you right, you know. If me see you over the ANC cabana, I be your side eye. We are using young people them term right, you know. Back in the day, we say screw face. But I be a side eye, you go get and whatever. I just some one answer me I go get from you. You go get from me. You say, Raga, what, man? My good, man. I be a that you go get. Right? Chumpy. Anyhow, you go over the ANC cabana and Ragabash Chumpy. When me I tell you, say, all right. But don't tell you already. And the reason why I tell you, you know, Chumpy, the reason why I tell you, Chumpy, them sneaking, you know. Them sneaking, Chumpy, so you have to watch it play. Them now go just openly say, come over our, and I saw them work. Them will say something like, let me tell you a style where them have Chumpy. Them have a style when them say, them will come up to you and say, well, Chumpy, you know, the mix up them when you get there so good, you know, and things like that and whatever, you know. And because of that, you know, we in the ANC, we just, you know, we have a little award for you, you know. Come for it. I saw them work. Chumpy, I saw them work. I swear to you, I saw them work. Them no stop give people award and whatever. You understand? Del Marine never did enough for the ANC, you know. Them catch Del Marine with one second-hand boot. One second-hand shoes, then catch Del Marine win. Yeah? One look a second-hand boot, them gear. See it there? Craig Tansi are true. One second-hand boot, then catch Del Marine win. You understand? Because Del Marine never in there. You understand? Then catch Munchie with one recipe. Right? I saw them work, man. Red Ras will go on me. So Chumpy. You understand? I rate it, but just make you know, so them have a look of style. Them just quietly say, oh, matter and thing and oh, whatever. And them just sneak up on the people, them. And them love bribe people with this and that, taranat, what, you understand what I say? I saw them move. All right. Chumpy, me don't tell you, you know. Dream Chaser, you have a problem with me? Dream Chaser, Wagwan. Dream Chaser, Wagwan. Now, what the whole people laughing for me ask you a question, Wagwan. Dream Chaser, Wagwan. Let me see you say something now. Dream Chaser like the show now go on until they respond, you know. What go on? Are you a whole up a show, you know? And we are run and go. Dream Chaser, where you wanna go? Yeah, spotlight the point right there. But you say nothing now go on. For real? Nothing now go on. You see you you have big chat. And go so boom, 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 and I say something to you right now, and you run, a beer run, we see you run, and where you run, I go. And where you run, I go, Dream Chaser. You man, I run, man, because if you want to catch you, we'll hold you and catch you and put you in one bag and run with you, okay? All right, so no know where you go. You see it? No know where you run, I go. Sham sweetness, what go on? Sham, me said them a grudge you for your firm body, you know, Sham. The ANC, them a grudge you for your firm body or your body just strong and firm and whatever. Yeah, be a bad mind over ANC for your body and whatever. You understand? I saw the SDC woman them stay, you know? Yeah, round up and set right and all these things, though. Nah, look on you know, Christina, CBS, you alright, yeah? Nah, yo, big up all of my subscribers, them, you know, tomorrow, nah, go normal, you know. Listen to me, no, man. One SDC gem, make them know I gotta sip my coffee. Hey, people, me enjoy this, you know. Me just sit down here and I remember a morning time before me left for school, me have to listen Raga till it done and me left. The amount of people like big grown people with them Pickney married how many years and whatever. Yeah, me used to listen when them little bit, you know, when me little bit, me used to listen Raga and whatever. It's a joy, it make me feel good. But people, may I tell you, just sit down here, so. Like, you know, say Zion, I spend a little holiday with me. Boss, I go back down to Florida next week. But in general, I mean, all right, see Empress Milo, she have Thai tea there. People, you see this right here, so. And even if me did have like some friends, just some friends, a bill and sit down and, you know, me no drink, I never drank a lot. I wasn't like a drinker. But I'm a cut down on it now, even so. But I still like a little wine, you know, right? Like a little, you know, take a little red wine and thing. But so you just a kick back with some friends and you just a reason and yeah, boss joke and all that. And there's something there, you know. Yeah, man, and there's something there, man. I enjoy that something. You see, even just sit on here, so. And I say, I come amongst Uno. And I know, you know, me already, like I tell him, when you do this type of thing, personalities emerge, like a squeaky emerge, a chumpy emerge, you know, ANC, you know, even people who did it before, Craigton and, like, and then you start, it is always like a little family thing. Anybody who listen me, after a while, you always hear them and say, no, would I love to meet so-and-so who call your show, would I love to meet so. A lot of time people come my events and thing, and the exciting thing for them to come the event is to meet so-and-so who them here, calling. They might come for enjoy them, but like the big deal for them is like, oh, are you name so-and-so? Oh my God, wait. And people just get a joy out of them simple look of something there. Family. Yeah, man, I like that something there, I like them thing there, And so, oh, are you name so-and-so and whatever and thing, And them thing there make me feel good, like, oh, I meet you now, or, them look where they are, whatever, and then, you feel people energy, and you say, yeah, that sister, she cool, or that bridging them, Aini and them cool, or whatever. Yeah, man, and them something that mean a lot to me now, right, I want my Pickney them come first. Them come first. But them look a simple something, yeah. Just, you see, when Nuff on people, yes, when 6 o'clock come, you see, if 602, 603, where are you? Start get the text them, where are you? So them ever look, me don't even pay them mind anymore or whatever, You see, by 10 past 6:50, Raga, what's wrong? Are you okay? Right? And I know what's going on here because me feel it too, because I look forward for coming to an evening time, Because I say, yo, because I know I'm going to keep up the arms house, I'm going to keep up the friggery, something unpredictable going to happen, or something, one of the call them going to get interesting, or, Taz going to call in, and then we start chat about some sitting. But the point is, it's a lime, as the people in the Eastern Caribbean, them say, it's like a lime, it's like a kickback, And I know when it's moving, because someone don't have it already, if I say, no, man, I want me to you. Every evening I meet this, Ragabash there, type of thing, And I enjoy it. I honestly do. Just come here and keep up friggery and just enjoy the time and bust a laugh and sitting. So anyway, I'm going to mix up, I two mix up in a one, but so I'm not going to leave off the other part because me follow my spirit and just give. So I say woman married, 3 Pickney, she and her husband and married and have 3 Pickney and thing. Love her husband doing. Something just listen and not judge, right? But love our husband and love our family, like just love our Pickney them, love our husband, like genuinely. Me know for a fact she love our husband. When she have a look at Bona man, the husband and one of them kind of disciplined, work hard man there, them man they will just get up and just do what them for do. PR like bills and them, I him that, And he's not exactly Mr. Excitement, And I just saw him stay, whatever. But she love her husband. Love him. Have a little man, him a Mr. Excitement. I'm going and, I'm going with the something them man sort out and do the things them with the husband now do and all of them something, But from one day it's like him a broke one of the Bona man rule, you understand? And sometimes them things upset me, because when me was a active Bona man, me the discipline about it, Yeah, man, and the first rule as a Bona man, you must protect the woman who are born with you. You have to protect her. Right? In fact, all of the man who are born a man right now, you not protect the woman and you for go a man. You not disrespect the other. You not disrespect the fraternity. You need to approach this thing with discipline. True. Anyway, then I know some Mr. Bonaman I catch feelings. Yeah, I catch feelings for her and I come up with this. Sometimes argument I go on. Anytime you hear a Bonaman or a Bona woman, I say something about what about me? With all due respect, if you're a Bonaman or a Bona woman, you shouldn't even make them statement there, you know. What about me? Once you gone in a what about me type of thing and whatever, something off right there. So you see what I say? But anyway, bossy him start catch feelings and whatever and thing like that and I ask for more time and on him something there and whatever. And she explained to him saying, you know why we do this and thing and whatever. But anybody I listen me all long, I always tell you know, once you're interacting with a person, that relationship rarely stays static. To be human is to be dynamic. Worse when you're in a relationship. Dynamic basically means always in motion. When you say something is dynamic, it is not stationary, it is not static, it not stay one place. But a lot of people in a different relationship, whether bonding relationship or whatever, I don't want to keep it one place. You can't keep it one place, you know. Or in a phone of mine, you can't think so, you not keep it one place. But even if you not keep it one place, it's really like you put one buckle on top of one stick and then you watch it, you know. It's the one place, but you have to watch it because it drop, so you have to fix it back. So, and that you have to fix it over here, so whatever. So you may think it's static, you know, but it's not static. Once you are involved with somebody, that relationship is either expanding or contracting. Don't fool yourself. It's either expanding or contracting. It's either progressing or retrogressing. And as you know, to understand it, and to see if it go expand in an area where it's not for there, you have to have the discipline to talk to the other person and say, come back down there, so come back down there. And if the person not do it, you have to cut them off. Cut them off. You have to do the hard part. You have to cut them off. You understand? So she in a this thing with the man and she in a fear man, she have him, no man, I mean run the thing and whatever and she, I said, D, run your thing, you know, but it either expand or the contract or whatever. Worse, she said, she have the best sex with him. Anyway, the boy I catch feelings and thing and I call after the time when him not for call and all him look at something there and whatever. So she concerned about it and then, you know, when I say, I have to go let go this man here, you know, because you want to mash up your thing. You see it. And we are going to do them thing. Anyway, one day she there home now and her husband goes up, boom, and call her and say, honey, me now want to get in an accident, you know. And she said, what? And she said, but we're all okay. We're all okay. I'm have the 3 pin in them with him. I must say, we're all okay. She said, what one of them? And then him tell her when she said, may I run, come down there quick. And him say, yeah, just, you know, if you can't come because, you know, me I deal with the person and, you know, if you come, you can't just go and console the kids, the man thing and whatever. So him tell her with them there, she jump in a fear car and she shot it a go down now. When she reached down there, yeah. Now the Bonner man, in the accident, her Bonner man who I catch feelings with her, and the Bonner man lick the husband car with the 3 pitting them in the back, you know. See, I want accident, you know. So when she run up on the scene now, she frightened for him. She go say, wait, what do you do? And catch herself. But she said, what do you do? What are you do? What she did, I ask him, what are you doing here? But she catch herself, So she said, what do you do? The husband now, him no know what I go on, the husband, because the bonner man she talk to, Oh, and when she said that now, the bonner man goes so. And she said him do him answer like, Bill. And she just take that for me like, yo, don't say nothing where you know for say. So she quickly pick up, say, like, she kind of confused now, and, disoriented, of course, and thing. But she, the bonner man, no, and she hold it, She said, what do you do? So the husband now see what go on and say, no, he's not doing anything. It was a rear ending. He's not doing. So the husband thinks, she said, what are you doing? Or whatever, like upset or whatever. And thing. And the husband said, no, man, we exchange information and thing and whatever. And she's like, oh, okay. Okay. And them talk and information exchange and thing and whatever. Boom. You know the whole thing. Insurance and driver's license. So she go home. She not call the bonner man in. Next day, she call the bonner. And what happened? Say, say it's an accident. She said, what you mean accident? You run up in the back of the husband vehicle with 3 Pickney them in night. And he must say, I know how it look, but I swear to you I want accident. I just said, well, we are do over. The bonner man live in an adjoining state, a next door state. So I'm doing in the same state, but no problem not big. But the state close. We find them there, the state just over there. So, but it's still a next state. But he's not really over that side there, And thing. So she said, what you do over here, so? At them time, for their work. And he must say, no, I'm take some time off because he need to go deal with something. So she said, you take some time off, you have to go deal with something over here, so? And him say, yeah. And she said, then I find the vehicle them where you run up in at the back, and I don't even my husband run up in at you, I run up in at the husband, and run up in at my husband. Oh, you come for run up in at the back of my husband. So him said, well, I really your husband break quick for me, Give himself a little bit this as far as me concerned. But so she said, him break quick, so that means you did a drive close behind him. And he must say, but no, I don't even really even know say him. And she said, what you mean you know say? You know my husband vehicle. Him say, yeah, I know your husband vehicle, but I never know say him. And she said, well, you lick the vehicle with my 3 Pickney in the vehicle. Him say, I swear to you, it just look like accident. It's just an incredible coincidence. An incredible coincidence. And it just so happened that I him. People, it possible say it could have been a coincidence, It possible. It's possible. Theoretically, it's possible. As well as him could have did a follow the husband for whatever reason. But let us say it's a coincidence. Make us say it's a coincidence. You know Jamaicans have Jamaicans we have a thing where we really got it from our ancestors, our African ancestors, where European culture, you're separated from the environment. That's why them not really, it's not a priority for them to take care of them environment, something them did have to develop, but it's not part of European culture for take care. You go to like Native American culture over years and years, for them thing was, you go at some African places, like, no, you have to farm that area of the land for a while. And you have to respect the land, they anthropomorphize the land and all these things. It's almost like they give them human qualities. So there's always this thing about you farm this area first, then you leave this area, you go back over here, and you respect the land because the land give you, them have these little things and what. They may really have them something in Europe, So you find, so when you go amongst African people or people of African descent, they speak and interpret the world in ways where there's an inherent humility there, like we are a part of this world where the world is a gift. So it's like an interconnectedness. It's like you're just part of an ecosystem, right? As opposed to European, where we're superior. We're supposed to exploit the earth and take out this and that and whatever, right? And it's the same thing with we as Jamaicans. We got that from our ancestors. We're interconnected with everything. So nothing just happen just so for we. Right? So it's not unusual for you like a Jamaican that say a sign that some notice. Right? Jamaicans are big like that. For those of you who know about drop hand, which is the game, but we say Japan, which has now been popularized as cash pot, right? Brought about by the Chinese, really, in Jamaica. But black people have the numbers game too. Anybody who know about Bumpy and the Black Woman and Harlem and all these things, the Lawrence Fishburne movie and things like that. But in Jamaica, Jamaicans have a thing we call a rake. And it's not anything to do with a real rake, but the rake is like a sign, right? So you find that the people who have the number, play the numbers game, all them numbers, they have meaning. And even though people buy these and gamble, whatever, for a lot of Jamaica, the reason why it is so popular is because these meanings, that come from an interconnectedness with everything that surrounds you, they're lived. So people live by them something, right? So you will hear a Jamaican say, Jesus, God, I don't even know why I go over there, because I see the madman run through dirty water, and madman, I don't know the number, the meaning, I just tell you how Jamaicans talk. A madman at 17 and dirty water, 5 a thief, dirty water, so and so. And I shouldn't even go over there, I should have didn't know better than, Jamaicans talk like that, right? A lot of Jamaicans talk like that. But even without the numbers, you always hear Jamaicans that say, no, man, so for me see the mango drop off of the tree was a sign, It was a sign, say something did that go wrong, I should have turned back, Jamaicans talk like that all the time, right? Big deal for it. Right? Big deal for you or whatever. But again, it's not by accident. It's not a culture. It come from our ancestors and things. So Jamaicans always feel the energy of stuff will surround them. Jamaicans always feel things, and this don't feel right, I'm a spirit, you hear them language where we use, and so my spirit not take her. She not do me nothing, I don't know her, but my spirit just not take her, right? Like a modern way of saying, I just don't like her energy, right? Jamaicans attack so for a long time, right? So you find that Jamaicans that like, me I tell you, like, in terms of our ancestors and contrasting with a European ethos and whatever, we are connected to everything around me in terms of energy and feel and them something there, And Jamaicans talk like that. Even dirty water have meaning, even if somebody say the tree a lean certain way, even that have meaning for Jamaican, It's like, yo, see how the water look. The water don't look right, man. And what the Jamaicans, thing spiritual or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, right now, me think say, she need to let go that bona man there. Something not right, something don't feel right. You understand? Me I tell her, I say, something don't feel right. She need to let go that boy, the man. The boy, she say, boy, body good. Yeah. Where Uncle Raga always a telling you. Where Mass Raga always a telling you. You see, the thing you enjoy the most and the thing that you need the most and the thing where you love the most, you must always be able to say no to it. Anything where you enjoy the most, just bring you the greatest joy. Anything where you need the most, your desperation, whether money or you're lonely or you need company or whatever. Anything where you love the most, you must be able to say no to it because that's your weakness. So you have to be able to say no to your weakness because people out there can read people, particularly predators. They know how to read people, and when somebody find your weakness, and if they're a predator, they will be able to use you. They will be able to abuse you because they can exploit your weakness because you don't have no control over your weakness. Right? So you see that good body something there where she depend on whatever she need for Lego the boy. The point me I make, even if it's really a coincidence where him say him never did a follow our husband or whatever, even if I really saw it go. Back to that Jamaican something there. No, sir, that is too much of a coincidence and thing. It's like another thing what Jamaican say, what I say is, you know, say gotta show your sign. You know, say I gotta show your sign. What more you want? No, gotta show your sign. Enough Jamaicans talk like that for them interpretation that you know. They you know say God make the man go lick because I understand say the rear ender is not. It's not even like a big deal. It's just a little bump, you know, and whatever. But Jamaica, again, I know Jamaica would have used like a supernatural explanation and said, no, man, you know, see a sign that out of the millions of people living in the city and whatever, him left Fame State and him just come over here one time because him don't even over here and whatever this because of she always got to go over this way, right? And then one time him come over here, you tell me, say, the one time him come over here, him go lick up in the back of your vehicle with your husband and your children. Jamaicans would not read deep in night and say, you know, say, I gotta show you signs, say, your husband and your children under threat. Your husband and your children under threat. And this is the threat. Like, something can happen. You see me I say, I gotta show you a sign. Let go the body. Let go the body there. Fling the body there one side. And don't make your body come mash up your thing. You understand? And my suggestion, let it go. Let it go. That is just my, you know, so it could be that him did a follow him for something which would be very troubling. But even if it's this incredible coincidence, so him never did really, it's just really an incredible coincidence. Him never did that. It's just, you know, these things happen. Weird stuff happen, you know. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes truth is stranger than fiction. Yeah. Sometimes truth is weirder and stranger than fiction. Yeah, so things do happen. But man, I say, even if I saw, I think it is in our interest to interpret this as a sign, man. Right? It no mean scientific, it no empirical, it no objective, fine. But your bona man no come from the area. Your bona man come over the area one time, because your bona man come over here, and the one time your bona man come over here, so your bona man run up in the back of the vehicle where your husband a drive with your tree picnic. Look at that! Stop, man. Fling with that body there, man. No, sir. The body there for go. She need for leg of that body there. Leg of that body there. Leg of that body there. Eh? You know, you see with them something, you have to be careful when you tell people what to do, you know. Star boy. Yeah, you know, really tell people what to do, you know, them things, you know, I kind of make them ask themselves the right questions, because sometimes people don't ask themselves the right questions and things, and so me encourage them, for, you know. But that's somebody who know like that too, and whatever, you know. I say, yo, B. You know. I use to play it safe. And let me and somebody good, you know, like you say, if me and Fox attack, I just tell Fox something straight up. Don't do that, how you do? Boom, bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. Because me and Fox good like that. But other people, I use conditional statements. Right? So you hear me use that probably or perhaps, you know, me use these type, whatever. You know, depending on who me attack to me, I say, or might, probably, might, and them look words there, you know. So me will say something like, well, you might need to make a firm decision about this thing, you know, where it not continue. So me not say it, but yeah, me say it, you know. So, you know, probably you want to stop saying, so the probably in there, you know. You know, let me look weird there, you know. And things, see, there was another part to it where, you know, me I go, yeah. I mean, me kind of uncomfortable with that too. You know, it's not random. He's saying that it's random, but it doesn't sound random to me, you know. It doesn't sound random to me at all, you know. So, yeah, remember me I say two mix up in a one, but me just go on one side because I will laugh on the other side, you know, because I don't know. All right, what do? Rita Danesh, where did the accident take place? On the highway? No, should I answer that? Yeah, I can answer that. And it's a very good question. No, the accident did not take place on the highway. It took place off a main road in a borough, but a main road into a side road. But the reason why that question is important, too, you know. Yeah. The accident took place 10 minutes from the lady's home, from the, you know, the wife and husband home. Probably less than 10 minutes. You know? So, you know, so Rita, that's a good question. Less than 10 minutes from where them live. Oh, and when them a link up, when they met, they actually met in the other state, you know. Anytime them a link up, she always go over there. She always go over there. To be clear, him don't know where she live. She never bring him go her yard or nothing like that. And which part them meet is over the other state. Jersey. Right? Anytime them a link, is she go over there. Them never link yet up on the side there. You tell me, you know. And it's a simple coincidence, him come over on the panel side there, you know, and run up in the back of her husband vehicle. The boy did that map out something, man, and did that study something and a watch and thing and whatever, you understand? Because I pick the husband, I pick up a Pickney them from so and so, you know, and I carry them home. So it look like a boy I study something, man. I remember a boy I catch feelings too, you know. Is what I say? Right? And that it could be a coincidence, but it just looked like too much of a coincidence and thing. You could understand it, you know, if they say, yo, but him living in the area, so the likelihood I am my bongs, you know, yeah, it's, you know, expect it to happen. I mean, millions of people live here in the city or whatever. But if you just say, not only like living in the same state, but in the same city, if you say if him living in the same borough, cause even that, but the borough them big. But even that, you just say, yeah, I can't see where it's probable, you know. But him not the man live. Yeah, him not the other state. You have to cross a big bridge and go way down and whatever. You understand? And when they met, it was over in the other state. And she always go over for them side. Them never yet do anything over that side. Right? She need to let go that boy. Like sometimes some people see the sign them and thing and whatever, and when them say, yeah, them are going to do it and whatever, them are going to let go and them start remember the goodness and thing, right? And then go right back in I prick it on. Yeah, and get our whoppings. Aye, boy. Somebody say sound like Philly. No, sir. I don't ever so far down. No. No, you may just tell you which state. Philly no in other state. Anyway, see here then Nikki see it. The leg of the body. Yeah, man, sometimes some good chun I forget Lego or some good body forget Lego, man. You see it? Okay, people, I do not have a cold. This is an ongoing thing, you know. We only just depend on it. I have a cold, and once I sit down here, so I do the show, allergies and something kick in. What Munchie say? What I say Munchie say? What say? Somebody a big up what Munchie say, but I don't see what Munchie say. Peaches and cream say Munchie, exactly. Keyword, borrow, or Tik Tok, boy. Tik Tok said me about 5 something for say me reach this, me for join this. Create a reward, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Not joining none of them. Can't bother with them thing there. No, that more with it. Now, I look at house in a down, but I not see it. No, the flare, sometimes the algorithm no push and thing. And anyway, if I don't want to get paid, you don't understand what's going on with TikTok. It's not even like getting paid. You do, you know, I don't know what's going on with TikTok, yeah, man. TikTok, anything you want for TikTok, you have to do something for it, you know. And them have a whole heap of something, so, and then once you do it, you have to keep doing it, to keep it. The whole goal for them thing about TikTok beat them with, but all of the social media thing them stay so is to keep you engaged. So them incentivize all these things that you must do. You have to do this, forget this, right? You know what TikTok come in like? TikTok come in like when you use a clever person and you get something from somebody, you know, and you keep them attached, you know, and you keep them, you know, give them with them one fully, but you give them, there's a term they use here called breadcrumbsing, right? So you give them, look at TikTok bad pan that, you know. Yeah, man, TikTok come in like them look at gangster the way. You know, ladies, you know them man that who just keep on right there, so them not going fully one, but them keep on a gear like because them know say them want to keep you right there. So you know them, right? Or men, you know them woman there, who particularly if them not give you front, but them want to take your things them. Ladies, you know me I talk about no found guilty with this. You know them woman there like you not them not give you front, you know. But them would kill you with some cute smile. All when them dip on the phone and whatever, them put on seductive voice and whatever, this and that. And it's all designed to keep you right there, so you know, for you keep on and send your things them, you know. And there's hope. And then when them do know, when you talk to them now and whatever, them kill you with ambiguity. Men, if you talk to a woman and a bare ambiguity she give, right? And what being ambiguous mean? Keep you in a state of maybe. Keep you in a state of it could happen. The woman them who a taker, them bad pan them something, you know. Anytime you all chat to a woman and you not get nothing from her, but you hear she say things like, you know, me like with you though, you different. Una wicked, you know. Anything here, woman, what she doing now? She just individualize, you know. She separate you, know. And if you not smart and know the game and thing and whatever, you start feel special. Yeah. And you start feel special, and then somewhere in the back of your mind, like, she likes me. She's something different. And thing like that, you know what? And you hear some man I go back and I chat to other man and I say, nah man, she rate me differently, man. And she don't make me know, man. She tell me she know him and them idiot boy there and whatever and thing like that because I know if I move with her. Yeah. So she rate me different and you don't even know, I said, dude, you're being played. You understand? See the Keisha laugh. All of the Keisha them know me at top. See all Munchie laugh. All of them know. Keep him in a state where, you know. And then when all the man them a back off now and thing like that, them know for pull him back in, you know, man. And woman, they bad pan it, you know, man. The commonest pull back in. When the woman them go on, the Jamaican woman them especially, the commonest pull back in when them look ATM. I go on like him want come drive with himself and them want pull him back in and whatever. That you know the phone call, anytime you hear the woman them the phone, and you answer. I remember say you don't vex now, you know, cause you send her one bag of money in on the front now run, so you lower her out. And she call, you know, and you come up on the phone now, cause you've done vex already, you know. And you see she call. And you answer. Hello. And then you hear a little voice say, you dash me away. Well, anything a Jamaican woman say, I want to do you dash me away. And you hear that, and you dash me away. You don't know, you know, and you ain't turn up track, you know, because it's the talk of your heart now, and you're the pan. Dash me what? No, I just want. No, I just do what I do, and you know? What going? What you want? So I can't talk to myself. And what I do you? No, but you call me. So, what you want? Then I can't do myself. What I do you? I want somebody tell you something about me. I want me to tell me. I could talk about it. I could talk about what's wrong? What's wrong? And you know, this will lead you, you know, to 3 words, right? But before the 3 words, you have to have a build up. What's wrong? Nothing wrong, man. So make you sound so. Nothing. Well, if you don't want to talk to me, you can have to talk to me and thing. And me come off of the phone, but I just want you know, me miss you. Yo, I see from the man them get that me miss you there. Whatever, man. It's downhill from this, man. It's downhill from this. From that, me miss you, the knocky man thing, man. It's downhill from this or whatever, you know. And before you know it, you know, it's all a date go on, you know. A date, you know. I look at one date, but when she go up on that date, they know at the first date that now, you know. So I feel like he might get you know. But when you go up on that date, the whole date she up on her phone. The whole date she up on her phone. Yeah, the whole date she up on her phone because it's just the date. Yeah, don't bother get it twisted because you not get nothing, man. Worse when all them all reach a point where the man all a place to man and you go get the touch on your upper arm right or so. Me know me I talk about, you know. Anytime a woman like she play or whatever, you see, anytime a woman go, well, you see, when you get that look hole right here, they know them man, you know, when I'm wicked, you see, when you get that look touch right here, something, what I want to go on, you know, me see what, you know, that look touch up here, so. Boy, hook my dead, that's a reggae, if a go, man. I know what me I talk about. Anyway, I want some mix up, you know. The truth, you come up and thing or whatever, it coming like a joke, dog, because you not go through. You not go through with them in general. Every day, you send in a request and thing or whatever, and it not go through. And you send in the request, them routine or whatever, and press it not go through. I don't know why I go on with it. Dog, your account need to get a cut and clear. Here we go on. Here we go. If you have a money, me will do it because I cut costs off of people. Raga the good Obia, man. We don't do bad things to people, right? We don't do bad things to people. With my Obia, you get the woman. With my Obia, you pass the exam, right? With my Obia, you get for run faster, right? So here we know, if you send on the right amount of money, we'll put like send a little clearance for your account because right now something are going for your account, my lad. Yeah, something are going for your account. And again, spoken like a true Jamaican, you need some little deliverance right now. Yes, man, your account needs some deliverance, dog. Right? Milo, big up yourself, you know. Milo, want to jump over this in November. I love over there, you know. One thing, you know. You know, so you go to them places, you know, you take no check, you know, but you know, ain't go Milo, you know. Milo, when we are going to hang out? Milo, oh, we not hang out yet. We need to hang out in a Milo. Nah, man, we need to hang out, man. And if it's okay with you, I'll meet certain people too and say hello and all these things, you know, respect our manners and them something there, you know. You know, I don't know your other set up and thing and whatever. I'm telling my line, I don't know rate you. Yeah, man, when I do the art me, just touch the orange art where they're near to me right this and thing, and then we want some mix up in the night, yeah. See, they want some mix up. Bella B, you need to know how to subscribe. Bella B, look on your device. You're going to see one star with one circle around it. Probably there to the bottom left of your screen. If it's Android, it could have at the bottom right or almost center. But the next to, you know, some other look at icons there, you know. But it's a star with a circle around it. You see it, Bella B? Oh, yes, you see it. Yeah, man, you touch that. And then it will carry you through this stage and make sure say, yeah, and make sure say you got you, Bella B, you see. And it will show you how to subscribe and thing and you come lock in tomorrow and come listen to some of the outer hardness in the sub live tomorrow. So again, people, usually I don't have show on Fridays, but we're going to have a subscribers only live tomorrow. All right? Drew, all right. I must say you that Bella B. Subscribe. Somebody else subscribe to one thing. We see about 2 people subscribe. They're proper. See the queen I said tomorrow I go sell off. All you mean? You understand? The way I'm going to prepare for that live that tomorrow, I'm going to swap up 3 times before I come in. I do like Munchie and the ANC woman them, you know. I go be at first before I come in. So even though I don't have a day around them, I make sure some are fresh. Yeah. I make sure some are fresher than everybody. You understand? Remember to use roll-on. You know you're in my age group, you know, when you talk about roll-on. Well, you know you ain't in my age group but roll on. Yo, them young people in the chat show anymore. Nobody not talk about roll on. Well, in the hear people say something sitting, you know, more Roland. And my kids, I'm not laugh off, I'm laughing to scan. You come here about Roland. You know, me and you in the same boat, you know. Right, but yeah, make sure you use Roland. Nobody knows say Roland again. You never get the memo. Then done with Roland. You see a dream chaser, I laugh off of you. Nobody knows say Roland again. Nobody knows use them chat there again, but Roland. Make sure you use Roland. This is so damn cute. Anyway, all right, I mix up. What's send on the mix up them now. Send on the mix. Just send up on a request. Send up on a... Jeez, yo, and me glass scratch me, you know. You know, so man, me glass scratch me. Let me see something. Cause alright. You know me, I say, yo, never miss yet, you know. Yeah, anybody no can't say one no one say anytime my hand make scratch me get money when me never expect. I don't care anybody wants. Anytime my hand make scratch me get money when me never expect. All right. Anytime my hand make scratch me get money when me never. No, man, I don't remember. Yeah, Jamaicans don't have this thing about left hand and right hand and thing like that. And some of them say, when hand make scratch you, if you rub it on your pocket, man. You know, you rub it on your pocket. Yeah. Hello?
Me and you not in the same age group.
What?
Me and you not in the same age group.
Me and you in the same age group. Now you say Roland.
Raga 23 this. Me and you not in a no same age group.
Oh, jeez. Roland! How are you there? How are your name over here?
Yes, friend.
Jesus God. Me can't believe you. Me charge this, you know, people. And what you said, no, we're not in the same age group. We're not in the same age group. But Queen
but you me writing an exercise book and you writing a slate.
Oh! Yeah, no. Oh, God, you're wicked. You're wicked. What you know about slate?
Hey, when you get in that trouble at school,
yeah.
they might give you caning. I saw them call it.
Yeah, caning. We get caning.
For your hand. And then make you hold your ears and your 1 foot, 1 ears, and you have to stand up till class done.
And what you know about them something there? And your mother and your father tell you, you know, 23, you know, say your mother and your father tell you. But that we used to do. No, you'd have to cross. You have to hold your ears first. And you stand up on 1 foot and hold your ears.
All right.
No, man, I dip up in the archive. Trust me, you have a whole heap of people in the chat right and you traumatize them now, because you bring them.
So them get trouble in the school.
No, you see that slate talk there? That slate talk there? No, I'm not gonna lie, I never use slate doing it, but other Pickney did use slate around my time.
And you spend $1 and you spend quatty.
No, me not so old, you're out harder. You know, but quatty and ear penny and shilling, pound shilling and pence and whatever.
And shilling,
yeah. But you have to be careful with the shilling, because in Kenya them still use shilling.
Oh yeah, that's their money.
Yeah, their money in shilling and thing or whatever. No, but you see that something about your hold your ears and then 1 foot, you not reach me.
And you trouble. You wouldn't do that.
And then we get beaten with key and two, you know, right? But you know what we used to get beaten with too. And it coming like nothing to we know. And when we look back on it, we say, but you know, that was kind of barbaric. You know what was rubber? You know what was
the tire?
No. Some people get beaten with tire, but one cow skin belt. One cow skin strap.
Me about this. Yeah.
Strap. Yes. But it cure, you know, so it tough and it kind of loose, it, you know, but it thick, you know. And at that me used to get beaten with at school.
And I look on them something now.
No, I'm look back on that. And when I say beaten, I mean teacher whoop you with the strap one. Me not tell them look leather something here we have as belt, you know. We attack one thick cow something. You know, it cow cod straps. Your niche has a cow cod strap. It's like it make from thick cow skin or whatever. That we used to get beaten with a Calabar all age. And then we go Calabar eye, we get caning. And it's like you get caning and then you have to bend over, you can get cane by your bottom or in your hand.
So which one you get?
The two of them.
Oh, you used to get trouble, that's why.
What am I doing? What me tell you, man? I be a fight, me get in a school and stab up. Me get stab up or me stab somebody or what. You see, look, you see I listen to my hand right there, so? Yeah, man, I stab, me get stabbed in my hand right there, but this happen at Ochi, though. This happen at Ochi. And you see that cut, yeah? Calabar all age, Eric Williams. Or Eric Reed. Eric Reed. Yeah, cut me with a buckle and thing. Yeah, that cut you and one day. No, man, you go through it, man, and then you don't know, so I put it on a couple one. And no, then you know, let me tell you something. You, our normal back then. Sometimes you ever see some video online and them must say, and them show you some things where kids, where Pickney used to do back then, and them must say, yo, you know, these kids nowadays, them not have that something, you know. You see all the thing where I spin, you know that thing they were spin? Right? And we used to run and catch whatever, and some crazy thing when we used to do, man, and whatever. Like, no, parents wouldn't have them Pickney and do it, but we didn't make different them time there, you know. The thing did rougher,
all right,
you know.
let me give you an example.
Yeah.
Do you realize, and this is even in my age, you realize Pickney Jamaica, like years ago, then we eat dirt, all them something, they are not do them.
Yeah.
No, Pickney gets sick so easily.
Easy. Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, me used to eat, me eat look at dirt too. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It was a thing for eat like good dirt. Okay, yeah, bad dirt and good dirt. And good dirt, there was pretty dirt, you know, the dirt of a pretty. So you know, say, probably somebody could help me. He did have some kind of, is it unreal answer or something? But them make like them little, which part them live? And then it's like one little hole. But the dirt will always there, so the dirt always look pretty and soft. You know what I'm yeah.
That's what they used to
yeah, none of them there the good dirt that
the pregnant woman used to crave.
Yeah.
But isn't that the one that they say pregnant woman used to eat? When they crave dirt?
You know, so I don't know about the pregnant woman and the dirt. Yeah, pregnant, yeah, no, you're right.
Dirt,
pregnant woman eat dirt, yeah, but I don't know which dirt. Me just know say we used to eat pretty dirt.
Oh, me know them something, yeah.
No, I am surprised. No, you see that one day where you bust out with the whole the ears and 1 foot and thing. You don't even know you're traumatized, man. It's like, no, man, that was stapling at school, you know. That something come from the British, you know. Something come from the British.
Catholic school. So when I used to get in trouble in school, they used to make me write, I will do my homework 100 times, 150 times. Them punishment music.
Oh, we did have little. You never get no beaten?
Me not so, them can't do, and remember, America, they cannot do that.
Exactly.
That's another thing. So people talk about like, the Pickney them at Jamaica, them get better schooling and you can do certain things and rate it. But me say video at Pickney a bad up teacher at Jamaica, so I don't know.
Yo, it get bad, it get awful. When we grew up,
they're extending the school day.
I mean, I know. When we grew up, we're afraid of teacher. And we respect teachers. And I don't want to like them, we mumble and chat, we chat behind them back and whatever and thing. And when teacher come, a beer, yes, miss, no, sir. Yes, miss, no, sir. We couldn't even say yes. Yes, who? Yeah, who? Yeah, yes, miss, yes, miss. Yeah, that's how we grew up and thing, you know. You know, you find some way did all have a look at one bad Pickney and thing and whatever. It was just so exceptional, you know. It's just like, really, you know? Yeah. You know, when we
they're saying they want to extend the school day I see yesterday on TikTok. I see
Down at Jamaica?
extend, yeah, down a yard because them say the pity them school grades is so low, and they think that extending the school day is going to, I guess, learn more. But there's so much things that I think about. If the pity them not have taxi fare for go home, all that work,
Oh, that
are they gonna
work.
get a third meal? Are the teachers gonna get paid more? The teacher them could they all frustrated, them can't reach home in time for cook them man dinner, the man beat them, all kind of sitting.
But you see all those questions that you just consider just now. That's what policymakers do. That's what they're supposed to do when they're considering a policy to think of the impact that it has. You would do well in like a setting like that. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
No, you're asking the right questions. You're asking the right question. You know, very often people come and say, oh, we need to do so and so, but they don't think it through. Like, what are the consequences of doing this? If were we to implement this, what would be the impact, you know? And that is exactly what you were just doing. No surprise there, you know. You're a smart cookie and whatever. You're just going like your mother, you know, in a sense or whatever, which at times you are. And yeah, particularly when you're there around your Portuguese speaking Brazilian man where you hide and things like that, we know about.
Me carry you come a Ragabash.
Yeah, carry come a Ragabash, no?
You not go Brazil again?
Eh?
You not go Brazil again?
No, you know, some go down there. As you're aware, whenever I'm considering a group trip, I like to go there first, explore and ask the right question. I may never really come out with it, but for those of you who were like wondering, okay, so you're not saying nothing about the carnival trip. Here's the thing. You know what I say? It's see if you go down there, you know, if you go Rio, right? And thing, but there is so many other things that go on in Brazil. When I took back, I just say, you know, so I don't want the responsibility to carry people down here, yeah, man.
I think the language barrier, honestly.
No. That is nothing. People, you can't get by.
It's not going for true.
No, but be. All right, let me give you an example. A woody kidnapping are going on there, you know? Right.
When I was down there, they said to me, "Oh, you're lucky." They said, "You see, the man touched my hand, and he said, you see this? Them not trouble you." He said, "This alone make them not trouble you."
What?
Because they're gonna your skin color. Him say all the way. He said, because I was with a white girl.
Okay.
And him say, you okay? You be careful. Like him tell the white girl, be careful. Because him say, hey, money for you, you know. But
yeah, man.
And he said to me, he said, them not trouble you. Like, no money that they pay me. So, things like that. I
mind, you know, people go to all the way, particularly in the, like Rio, Copacabana, Ipanema, and whatever, and them thing. People go there all the while and things like that. But, you know, and then there were some other things too, because, you know, me used to it. I've been to several carnival, and the big thing for me is to go them float, right? You know, the Sambodromo, and thing. But you see, even that, you see, when me used to it, you know. But you see, even if we go there, you see, if you go in at the Sambodromo, if you go to the can, you have to go there from about 4 o'clock, you know, for get in, you know.
Real early. All my friends them tell me
well, and it not start till 9 o'clock, you know. And then
when my foot would have burned me.
Well, and then it go from 9 o'clock till about 5 in the morning.
Yep.
And then you have to stand up the whole time and whatever, you know. So it work, you know. And it do 3 nights straight now. It was 2 nights before them do it 3 nights straight and whatever. I may say, if me bring you can, trip, right? Yeah, I may say, me don't know my people and people who may bring if them could have managed that. Them could have go on one night and then go, you know, Sugarloaf and then go Christ the Redeemer, what them call Christo, and the beaches are there and thing like that. But after me do an assessment and whatever, I say, me not feel it. Me we go. Me just not feel it for carry a group there.
Me I go back.
Yeah, but me like it. No. Me is all about the float for me, you know. But you know, so the last time me couldn't go the 3 nights straight.
Them tell me said when me I come next time, go to Bahia Carnival. Don't go to Rio Carnival.
Yeah, Salvador Bahia, yeah. And I want them want go. And I up there so the Caribbean, Jamaican type of thing there, you know, and them say feed them one jiggy too. And the man and then I say Brazil, let me tell you, you have 3 countries you have to be careful when you go there as man, right? Thailand, Vietnam, well really Southeast Asia. But Thailand and Brazil. Right? Brazil, man, I tell you, I don't know Venezuela too, but you know Venezuela not really open. But Brazil, you have to be careful when you go down there, some man, because, you know, woman and no woman and whatever and all these things and whatever and all them something there. So you have that little mix.
It costs you.
Yeah. And let me tell you, man, I be a hustling going down there, man. You know, as soon as them step out, immediately the police, you got to take that chain off. I'm say, is it what? I said, no, we're not telling. We're just saying.
I tell you the biggest culture shock for me.
Yeah.
Everybody, them mama, them poopa down to the dog have card machine for tap to pay. Everybody, one vendor up on the street, him have him machine for tap to pay. The man where I sell in the store, him have tap to. Everybody have tap to pay. So everywhere I would go, I would be like, oh no, I don't have any cash. Oh no, it's okay, tap to pay. And they pull out them card machine out of them pocket. Every single nobody.
Well on. They ain't know say you have several churches right now. When the usher them come on and I carry offering them have the tap, each one of them have the tap to pay for the church.
But yes, I understand that. Yes, we see that already. But fit up on the beach, like a picnic up on the beach, I sell the sarong.
Oh, you mean?
And them have them card machine. That to me was the craziest.
Nothing wrong with that. Business are business, or that around the place.
Everybody also, I like that was something that I like. Nobody don't have no excuse to say them can't hustle.
But yeah, Wagwan. Well, I shouldn't even say this to you because you've never missed a Ragabash, so par for the course. I'm going to say, I'm glad you come Ragabash. You've never missed a Ragabash. I've been not hear from you for months, and boom, she turn up a Ragabash.
I'm going to do that, man.
All right, now say a word, big up yourself. Last question, you beard from morning?
I beard 2 times, and I'm sitting in front of the gym. I wait to go in there, and then when I leave the gym, I got beard a 3rd time.
You beard 2 times? You beard 2 times from there already?
From there. I'm sure say you're not even go 1 good. Not because your clothes clean, because I look on you. Not because your clothes is clean means say your beard. Because no for no, put on clean clothes on dirty body. So the brother asked me a question about if my beard. Yes, I did 2 times. You want to know the soap?
What the name of the soap?
I use Natorium body wash.
Is that like some new, that sounds like some nuclear powered type of thing or something like that?
Nope. It used to sell in Target, but I don't have to go in Target anymore I buy it from the company directly. They have different ones. That me use for wash. I bathe 2 times. Each shower I wash up 2 times. So I soap up, rinse, soap up again, rinse. Towel off, moisturize my skin, put on deodorant, put on my cologne.
Are you towel off? You mean dry off, right?
Yes.
Okay. When you say towel off, I dry off, I say towel off.
I towel off. What you call it? Not towel off?
Well, and a dry off.
Towel and dry off.
Yeah, and what you call it, towel off, and a dry off, you want to say, I say towel off?
They're the same thing.
And when you say I towel off,
Listen,
when you,
I towel off. I use the towel. You should have choked just now.
With the backside again. But yeah, I want to hear your voice. And then I come out of the show and then I towel off. And when we hear that, we are said, when she come out of the show and take off our towel, but she take, but when the towel it go on. But towel off. After you're done, I tell you about caning and everything you got. And then I come out of the shower and then I towel off. I say you dry off, but you towel off. But you anyway, we work with it, you know.
Go and go beard with your carbolic soap.
Are you one of them who
your Irish Spring?
Hold on. You know, say you have enough woman beard with 2 different soap every time them beard.
I used to, but
what the hell would that for?
I had to stop and
Go
think to
man, you too
myself.
extra man. Go
I got to,
man.
no, man, I had to stop and say to myself, how much dirt drop on me, so? Let me need 2 different soap.
Exactly.
No, me not
Exactly.
really think about it. Cause I used to use 2 soap for real.
What
I used to
them
use,
use to Hold on,
alright, I used to use bar soap.
Wait. Some of them use 3, 2 pan them body and 1 pan them face.
No,
That is
okay.
extraness gone pan another level.
No, me know one YouTuber, she use carbolic soap, then she use body wash, and then she use intimate wash. Wash for her pokey.
Or yeah, because I say crash out just I said she have a special soap for her nookie.
Okay, so I don't do that no more because I don't see the need, right? I use my body wash that I use, the pH level is such that it's not gonna irritate down there. So I can use it on my whole body. So with me I buy 2 body wash for. Now, some women I gotta use more than one because maybe one of them use have perfume and it irritate down there. So they cannot use it down there. But other than that, if you feel like your soap is not strong enough that you have to use 2 different kinds, change your soap or you have to reevaluate why you use two
Listen to me.
soap for
I
face.
think some of these women, them just do it because them damn extra. Then come here say it's a bossy thing for do what bossy people do, and them a do it as a type of look a prestige thing. Well, me can't understand the palm soap and the face soap. That may I understand because a long time that I go on. Woman,
because I don't use the same soap on my body, on my face.
You don't use the same soap, no?
On my face? No, I don't use the same body. I use body wash on my body, and on my face I have a face cleanser.
Let me ask you something now. Is the assumption there that led to that practice being, conducted? Is the assumption that the face have a different properties in its pigmentation than the rest of the body?
No.
What? So why? Why?
I'll tell you why. When I was younger, maybe 13, 14 is when my acne started. And maybe the first 2 years, my mother was like, I'm not taking you to the doctor for this is not a real problem. I'm a boss until she carried me to the dermatologist and he said, you should be using you have acne and you should be using a different cleanser for your face than on your body. He said most of the time the cleanser that you're using on your body, you wouldn't use on your face. So ever since then, I've just been using different cleanser on my
No,
face.
hold on. I get that with the acne thing, right? But everybody grew out acne. 99.99%. Hold on. 99.99% of people grew out acne.
No,
Some of them it's stubborn. Let me say it again. Me not say me say most people grow out acne. That what you mean that is not true? Me not ask you.
Different types of acne exist. So how can you say that they grow that?
Me say most people grow out acne. Me not say them not get a bump. We are talking about acne when bump come up in your teenage years.
All right, when you say that, right? Do you know that there is a form of acne called adult acne where you don't even get it till in your later stage of life? So you can't grow that. You would have developed that in a later stage. So me not gonna say them grow out.
No, me see some woman educate me. Somebody say you have period acne. Somebody else say you have hormonal acne for us female. Oh, I never know about that.
Me at 33 and I still have it up to now. I'm still on medication for it.
Jesus Christ, that's how long I know you. Remember say your name at 23,
But say it's 83.
No, me know, but remember say when we know you were actually 23, so that's why we call you 23. And now at 10 years already, Bombat, Jano. Look on Crichton put 33 and put be a Christian sign. All him shocked too. What you say, Milo say you have menopause acne. Me never know so
yes,
them
they have adult acne. So what I'm saying, next thing too, like I was talking about pH.
Yeah.
Dermatologist explained to me most body wash will have a pH of 7, 6.5, 7. The pH that's good for your face, I think, is like 5, 6. So he would say try to get face washes that are pH 5, 6. Now, it's very rare that that's listed on the bottle, but you can find that stuff online, things like that. You can find that information online. Me no use the body wash from my body on my face. I have not done
Well,
that.
as a woman who you have your girlfriend, them wanna talk and whatever. Is it a common thing in terms of juju sensitivity, pum sensitivity, where so many women need to use a different soap down there, or I just extra them extra?
No, it's a lot. I don't have that irritation, but there's a
A
lot.
lot of women have
There's
that.
a lot. I know a lot of women that if them change the type of underwear with them wear. Let's say them
Well,
usually
yeah,
wear right?
yeah.
Them could have wear one next kind and
Yeast
them get
infection, right?
yeast very easily.
Right. No, that's
Right?
true. That's
So
true. That's true.
are them
That's true.
stress and then change very easily. A lot of women go through it. Are them change them sanitary pad type and it trigger that. So no, it's common. It's common. There's a big market for that.
No, you know what exists too?
Mm.
You know, say some juju allergic to some mouth.
Of course. And I'm so
I never know that. I never know that. You
hold
know.
on.
And it no means that the person nasty or anything. The juju
How
just
much
allergic to the mouth there. It's just
There-
like
or
the
no,
chemical
that-
makeup in the mouth there. Anytime them swipe a certain juju, the juju broke out and a be a sitting go on and whatever because the mouth.
their mouth pH
Yeah.
don't match the pH of that front.
The-
I didn't know any other way.
well, I know.
pH off.
No, your mouth pH off. Your mouth pH
Your
off,
mouth
right?
pH
No.
off.
Yeah, no.
And guess what? Them no longer dentists. Them suicidal woman for they don't want to go to the dentist.
No. What I'm saying to you though, that sometimes
I know, like outside
it's
of
not that the
oral
person
hygiene,
have
it's just
anything
the
wrong with
pH,
their
yes.
mouth. It's just
know.
an
They
incompatibility
don't
there.
match.
Yeah, you
They
know.
don't match.
Yeah, you know.
Come park so close next to me.
Right. You know, you can imagine that you have a great partner, or whatever, but your mouth not match them front.
PH don't match.
No, it can't be like John was like being.
No, you know the biggest mix up?
What that?
A reaction reached the woman and the woman serious said the man I give her a bun. And it's not even bun. It's just the two of them just don't match.
Oh, that is interesting. That is
Just
interesting.
don't match.
Just don't match.
On a don't
Damn.
match. Same with BV. They have some woman they keep getting BV from the person that they with, and 90%
What is
of the
BV?
time
What is BV?
bacterial vaginosis. They will get BV repeatedly from this, and they will say it's because your partner is cheating on you. Sometimes
That's true.
That's true. No, that's true. But there's also some cases in where his pH and your pH don't match, and that's why it keeps happening.
Right. That's true. But I may never know the boss name for it, but I've known of couples who have gone through that.
And the fear said the man I get them bun. Your pH don't match. That's a sign.
I
Back
know
to
a
the
couple.
sign where you said earlier.
No, I know a couple. Anytime them do it, the woman get an order there. Them got the man, them got together. Them do 10 million tests on the man, nothing wrong with him. And them do this and that, and she okay. Them do it again and whatever, and it happen again. And then at the end, them I said, no, nothing wrong. Him not do nothing or whatever. Him not bring nothing upon you. You just don't have the chemical compatibility there. Is it not interesting though? I just find that fascinating.
No, it's not interesting. Me take it as the same sign we did a talk earlier. Gotta show you. We don't match. Take the sign. You laugh? Alright.
Well, when we used to go Sunday school, they did have a very popular song in a Jamaican Sunday school. It named Signs of the Time Are Everywhere. And there's a bright new feeling in the Air, lift your eyes upon the eastern skies. Lift up your hand. Read. Jamaican them always, this sign thing,
Somebody says, so if the pH don't match either your partner, what do you do? Find a new partner? Yes, take the sign. But now I said no more, just take the sign.
Boy, that kind of rough though, because what you gonna do about that? You can't change the biochemical
do not
makeup of the
match.
what?
Do not match. You want God beat you? Take the sign in my you don't match. You don't match.
It's just hilarious.
What the
Like,
hell?
what do you do there? What do you do? It's like, but I love you. But yeah, but I can't keep doing this. Every time we have sex, man, I forgot.
Yeah, mash up. Yeah, may I get BV every no, something wrong.
Yeah.
You sound okay.
Yeah, after a while, this is going to have a cumulative effect on the vagina, and that will just because the vagina is constantly infecting and things. That's not good. Yeah.
And then you're going to hit me. No.
Yeah.
You take the sign early.
Yeah, and then that are going to limit your capacity to broaden your repertoire of activities,
See, our next sign come reach me. I know. I went to take the pre-workout and the whole powder just dropping on my lap.
What?
I said a next sign just reached me. I went to take the pre-workout powder. While you were singing, I went to take some and the whole thing dropped.
So so every time before you work out, you have to sprinkle powder in your lap?
No, only this time because I was so excited to speak to you.
You see, have you read the book, The Art of Verbal Self-Defense? By Professor Dr. Deborah Tannen. What you just did right now, first of all, I wasn't expecting that response. So it just neutralized me, it immobilized me, it just shut me up. It shut me up. But one of the things what she says, like, when them come at you with an accusation or an insult, embrace it, embellish it, and exaggerate it back at them. That will shut them up. Yo, before you go, I know. One time we did Jamaica, and Jamaican taxi man them drive bad, right?
Why me know that story? But tell the story.
We tell it already. Yeah, man, we tell it already. So before me did buy car, when me go Jamaica teacher, me always take a taxi, go up there. Sometimes me take the bus just for the fun. For you Jamaicans, them are preaching at the bus and the drama, but me always take my taxi. So when I'm in a taxi, and the taxi man I drive, and one boy and I want hot car. I'm a drive bad. I come up, I must say Wellington Avenue for come up on Mona Road and thing. I mean, I watch where I go and the taxi man, I say, yo, this drunk and whatever, this and that. So the taxi man speed up the boy and I'm at car, I go on. So when I time the taxi man, while me know, so we go so boom and turn from Mona Road now. And the boy I speed up on the taxi man, and the taxi man just hold him hard and I go through and the taxi man, and I go so, and touch him, man. And kind of scare him, So hear him now, not to the taxi man now. Me said the word what there. I never know say TikTok know the word. And then TikTok actually put something up on the screen and say, you're using hate speech. So I'm not going to say it. But it's the B word. Mm-hmm. You know what the B word? B man, right? Mm-hmm. So him the
I saw them know it now.
Yeah.
Jamaica really global.
No, man, I tell you, TikTok, no, like big something come up on the, you were just using hate speech. And I wasn't even saying it in a derogatory way. But anyway, him come up on the taxi man and him depend B-boy. And the taxi man say, how you know my name? How will tell him my name? Well, I know the brother driving, so remember, like if I drive, say my hey boy, where, and the taxi man say, how you know my name? How you know my name? See me, I know, like. Him face contorted in a confusion.
Him
like,
what he say.
Him don't know what he say. Like, it's like him a try to think about something like, yeah, what am I going to say? Like, shut him up. Shut him up. So,
you know. Go talk about your bitch. I'm going to say, yes, I'm the biggest one.
A while ago, I flap me a while ago, man. I can't give you whatever. I expect you to come with one of your usual comeback, them or whatever. I was just like, wait, what should you just say?
We'll clean up all of this something.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
yeah, man, clean up
Oh
your
my God, I love speaking to you, my friend. I'm so happy to come back on TikTok.
All right.
I was off because I was scared to come over here and get addicted back to the engagement, something we did I talk about.
Oh,
I'm
Jesus.
tell people say if me already on IG, I scroll all day. When me go get TikTok now?
Yo, TikTok is crazy, man. You got to make
Me
sure
go
you
dep
know.
on a jet to holiday.
You know, man, TikTok is just like a multiverse of so many
Engagement is
things to
key.
do. Yeah. So
I
it's
learned
it.
so much.
All right, then go and go clean up the
All
powder
right.
out. Go and go clean off the powder out of your lap here.
If you see it, oh my God.
But come on for the come on
I'm
for
so
the
I'm so pissed. I want Monday I look at me and the vehicle in front of me. I said, why this girl sitting in the parking lot so long?
All
Open
right.
door.
Angle your business, my friend. Pleasure
Yeah.
talking to you as always.
You
Big up
too.
yourself, man. Yeah, man, cool.
All right.
Oh, and 23 that, you know. Okay. Nah, man, Queen, that's I want me to you. I'm a charge that, man. You understand? No, man, them people are people like she. You have some people loyal to the thing, you know, and defend the thing right through, you know. I'm going to tell people, say, Raga can't, you know, anybody in entertainment can have all the talent in the world or whatever. At the end of the day, they're only as good as the people who support them, right? So I am that person too. I could have all the talent and all the vibes, whatever. And anybody who have a product or a service that's dependent on an audience, you could have the greatest preacher ever. That preacher is only as good as the congregation. Yeah. You see what I say? All right. But with the power things, same way, you know, Secret Admirer Mixup, any Mixup with a Secret Admirer or Tune for X or any other Mixup one have. Baby Lips, big up yourself. I hope you behave yourself today, and nobody come cost me about. Look how much time me I say hi to Raga and him not answer me when thousand add people over your Baby Lips. Anyhow you did in front of me when you said that, you know, when I put you across my knee and spank you, you know? Properly. Here we go. To the chat we go. Remember, subscriber live tomorrow. Subscribe only live tomorrow. Subscribe only live tomorrow. Subscribers only live tomorrow. I love you too, Baby Lips. Big up yourself. Even though me Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Alright then. Yeah, but just run my mix up early, you know.
Yeah, man. Close the window, though. You can't close your window for your vehicle. Eh?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, man. That better, man. What you do? You use your hand and just circle it and wind up the glass, no?
About the phone.
And this is where you come from, you know. This is where you come from. You see me? All right.
I
Well, go
real
on.
talk, man.
You see it, where you say, yeah.
Back in the idea then when Facebook just come out,
Yeah.
live on with a woman there and she always say, boy, yeah, cheat.
Mm-hmm.
I said, nothing no go so, cause me always in the street, me that part of one team where you keep party and thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, without my knowledge, she line up our friend for had me on Facebook.
Jesus God, yeah.
So me and her turn friend. You know, Prince a lady come and book you as a friend, add you as a friend and sitting. She send a friend request, I accept it. Anyway, me and her start reason. Give her my number, we start talk. Decide, so we start reason now, and we decide, so we're going to a club by Thursday night. That time we used to go, there's our marketplace, our fiction out there. One
Yeah,
of them
fiction, yeah. No, man, a fiction it up a marketplace, man, yeah.
All right, then. Then we go. She live in a Spain, but she there go US, so she bored, so we don't go so boom, so go pick her up.
Mm.
So in the night, I'm gonna pick her up. Girl come out in a one black dress. Carve her body straight.
Bombard, yeah. Fitted, figure hugging, yeah.
Figure hugging with a little V round her back where you can see her back line and G string, and me I tell you, man.
Well, the V come right down top side or bottom down, and then you see
the little string there, me I tell you. It can be trouble.
and you just get a little prips at the string, you know, the one them in the OD, just get a little stop no man, stop no, stop no.
I get trouble. I say, all right, I don't know when we get this one in, but I can be myself, I can try so we can work out this.
Yes, man.
Anyway, we go in a club. Good time at by all, you see me? Just wind up and give no trouble. We say, all right, I drop her room and do a little kiss and she take 2 little picture. Lo and behold, I say, all right, I not too pressure. I go on my yard now. Wake up in the morning and my woman will wake me up. Dirty dog. So me I tell you, you trade for me. See it here? See picture them here? I'm a friend. I say, what? For only thing I could have said to her, let me get catch something to say. The only thing I could have said, you know what? You don't have to rub butter in a post mouth.
Well, that you said to her.
That's the only thing I could have said to her. Maybe never have no argument.
No, man, but you know, say you're not the only and the B never do nothing.
We don't do nothing. But we don't do nothing at the time. We just go party, wind up and take picture. We bust a little good night kiss and nothing.
Oh, good night kiss did, boss?
Yeah, something that's regular shit. That's nothing major.
Right.
You see me? But all I know that another story. Some say, all right then. Look like that one you drop off, I get bust now. Me not get none. Anyway, go to work the morning, because that was a Thursday night. The Friday morning, I go to work and say, right, me I tell my brethren, say, yo, no, so me look home and set me up and give me a little friend, but me I tell her she come out now and black just so I out to give me a hemorrhage, because I'm straight thing, say me win pan that one.
Bingo.
Anyway, yeah, shortly after, I see her morning, she texts me, her friend. Hold on, remember, me say me get catch me done with this. She text me, oh, me enjoy myself last night and when we go do it again. So me say, wait, yeah. Look like my girlfriend never tell her, I say, it play done. All right. Still I play the idiot, because remember, me not supposed to know, say it was my friend. Anyway, me just play it off and I say, yeah, man, nice. Anytime the opportunity presents itself again, we link up. Anyway, let go the argument. You see, in the evening, she texts me again. In the evening, after work, basically, me and my friend them drink 2 beer and sitting. I say, I wonder if she's still try draw a card for me. Anyway, she texts me again and I say, yo, way up to me. I say, me there. She said, show up our place, boring, and wonder if we can link up. I say, yeah, man, sound like a plan. She said, when you come, there's some feel for some Chinese food. I say, all right, no problem. Sound like a plan. Right away. I left wish for me the entertainment galore, on the wharf, me there, so all the political activities are going. Anyway, I left wish for me there and say, all right, well, they go swag go on. Find the Chinese food up a leg and do you want the Chinese food,
Legally, well, on Jade Garden restaurant,
right, I know we go, and me go, me just go pick up something.
Okay.
What's so I go on?
Yeah.
Go up there, carry the Chinese food, this one, the girl come out type place. She come out now and t-shirt.
And what else?
Just t-shirt and a panty.
And a panty.
Where you can see front part, like you can see, the t-shirt does the right sit down. You can see the living room front door.
Jeez. And well, I know there's everything. You know, cover every. You see, she understands so a certain amount of subtlety, She know OD with it, but give enough and mash up here, And well, don't they did heavy?
May I tell you, brother, but like a last, like you pay bill. Like you work for long. Oh my
like where you said the pay bill,
Like you work on a construction site for long and you pay bill boss.
Jesus God, because you know some of them know them doing it. When them do them wear one size lower than them actual size, you know. So what happened then it look like a panty tearer. You understand? When they do the buff, it look like it just a stretchy panty, you know. Hey, listen to me, man. Yeah.
Full out.
So right there's a message saying, you know, but so go on time.
Yeah, so go in, you know, and I said, you know, there one reason I sit and she throw down and start kissing me. I said, voila. All right. Me now go and like me staff. So you see me? Throw down all the position I book you go on with a bag of things.
What do you mean? Una do it? Una do it?
What you mean? She give me every position I book like she does study Kama Sutra.
Jesus God, head tap, wheelbarrow, lizard lap, lizard lap, look backers.
Oh my God, me say she go on so good.
Jesus, I'm God. When she get the look backers and things, she did sink in her back and look back for you. The back did sink in.
At 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock the morning reach me yard.
Listen to me now, man. Workings down. Yeah, no.
Tired like brother dog.
What you, yeah, and so after you reaching now and what you Nikki a post about why you falling at the trap. What kind of trap? You don't like you don't even listen. Go and talk to your papa.
Well, I know. So me say no, right, I know if I beat me I get boy, me deserve that beat me, but me just take that one off your team, cause anything, me I tell me enjoy myself to the fullest.
Yeah.
So me get up in the morning, no one I wait and I say, oh, me go wait for your argument and picture and whatever take. Not a sound.
Not a sound. Nothing.
The woman no said no more picture, no more sound and nothing like that. Me say, what you? Everything run nice now.
Everything and she go set it up. Your woman set it up, don't?
Yes.
For our friend catch you.
I may tell you. Me tell her from the first and I say you shouldn't
don't rub butter post mouth. Yes, man. Hey, I know people them think they reach them enough for different thing, you know. Yeah, man.
After a few, cause we basically run it for about a year or two.
One on, una start out for about a year or two?
Yes, man, and a little.
One on. This are your woman friend. You start out your woman friend for about a year or two, so she still attack to your woman the whole time when you shell her out, though?
Yes.
Yeah, go on talk. Yeah.
Man, you understand, say, you know, my woman used to tell them, like, say, yo, things them used to buy for them and all them something there, buy fear and all of that. So it's like, she didn't want some of that. So that's why she...
Yes, man.
Them organized.
Yes,
she never know, say, she have a back play, you see me?
You see it, yes,
when
man.
She thinks that, she just send the picture, that alone. Outside of that, nothing. She never tell her nothing.
John, no. And well on. And for keep it 100, you start take care of her too, don't? Because she move right with you, so... Yeah.
Well, you don't know.
Yeah.
On the interflow, we just have to make sure say everybody all right.
Yeah, because you have to keep her happy too, you know.
Which is right.
Yeah.
So my woman now search your phone and I don't know when me did it. Must have probably go bathroom or something and she broke in her phone. I don't know, them woman they have code for phone when I didn't even know about. I think say me have my code up. She broke in her phone and find out say me still a deal with the woman after them pass.
Yeah.
And then she and her have a little fit. And me and her, you see me, somebody just say, yo, don't really say I'm trying to make no sense, you see me?
Yeah.
And she'd go and she'd move away one at a time. You see me, she target hitchy like me obligated to her now. Me I say, yo.
Oh, this are the friend?
Yeah. Me I say, yo, remember me live with your friend, you know. Certain things me can't do. You understand? And it's like, I say, yo, this I get too much for me now. And then my woman go find out with the phone, in her phone. And I say, yo, probably I just sign this with us later.
Sign?
Yeah, man. So I just walk away with this problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I just say, come on. That
Yeah.
just why my little mix up and
No, man, I want good one that man. Whole heap of, entertainment tonight, but whole heap of teachings tonight too, because it's a thing when enough woman do, man really do them something there, Nowadays, me see man I do it, use them friend for test them woman. But a woman do that and them always I do that thing they on social media with a friend and all them something there, whatever, And I send them friend for this and that, yeah, and I rub butter post mount and things. See, careful where you ask for. Well, you know how that thing they beat enough people nowadays, though? People who go in a threesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Enough people bring somebody else and go do threesome, and the person who them bring, them they end up broke them foot, man. Cause them partner go back there. Yeah.
I know that
Yeah.
style, man. I'm full of story, but right now, I just come figure that one, yeah.
Nah, man, Marvin, you have to go forward. Yeah, you have to go forward and give us some more. Here, sir. Big up yourself,
Yeah, man.
All right?
Watch nothing, man.
Blessings,
Cool.
man. Cool, man. You go some, man. Yo, enough man do them look at something there, Who remember the mix up with the man, a pressure him girl the whole time for she do a threesome, and pressure, and she said, no. And him pressure. You must remember the mix up, yeah. Until finally him go, she just give in and say she go do it one time. And him get somebody, and them do it. And him happy and thing and whatever. And sometime after that, him see him woman again bad face. And him say, I want to go on. You see it? And one day, him just say, him dep on him veranda, him say, and him see him woman a walk a come up with the woman who them they do the threesome with. And him say when him looking at the woman who him they do the threesome with, she have a ratchet. And she have a knife out. And him say, him woman just walk past him and him said the one who him do the threesome with just look on him and bend up her face and walk in with walk in back her with a ratchet. And him say him get up and I look like and I say wagwan. And him I say them nah say nothing to him. And him just see him woman a pack her things. pack her things. And she just pack up her things and walk out. And the woman would have the ratchet and thing, and him just walk away, and he say, from that, you don't see woman again. Yeah, and that you don't see woman again. Yeah, careful when you ask for here, you just might get it here. Found not push people in things and whatever, and kind of things reaching out, no can't manage it, and all them things there. And yeah, the mix up that didn't make me come out with the threesome rules, them, Yeah, man, that mix up, they make Raggedy come out with the threesome rules. I'm telling you, say, no for no one threesome, you not think it through. All you not think about is what you not going to enjoy. You not think about all of the other little things that can happen and the rules that you not have when you not going on. Yeah? Remember the mix up with the woman who did get one young girl for your husband, for the threesome. You remember that mix up there? And when the threesome start and whatever, and the husband down in at the young girl where she bring in or whatever, she a tap the husband on him back, but okay, my time now. My time now. Husband don't even look on that, right? The husband don't even care see hype on that or whatever, right? The threesome, she did just have to watch the whole time. And from that, relationship wasn't the same again. Okay. I want to pick up on the car manager and think this thing is nice out there. Well, I bring in somebody else, Greetings, sir.
Yeah, bless up, Raga.
Respect, man. Why go down, Papa?
Yeah, man, but there, man.
See
Yeah, man,
him?
that. One I time I go dig some yam in a Raga.
Well, really, I'm Maria use code.
No, real thing.
Real thing. Okay, all right. Yeah.
Yeah, man, one at the time I go dig some yam in a piece of bush in a Westmoreland, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and don't dig yam, them and rain a come down. So.
See him?
Me see a whole house, so me run go there for go shelter.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Go in the house and did and Josie and I go on easy little till me feel Josie.
Yeah.
So on spring bed, me say me I go all a little relax funny.
So this is a deserted house then, right? Nobody not did it.
Yeah, man, it's a whole
Oh,
building house.
okay, okay.
When me go lie down on the spring bed in a raga.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me hear something say, get some man. Man, yeah, man, through them nose rapping out, you know, them talk funny. So when me lie down on the bed, me
Wait,
hear
wait, the
something.
through them, what through them? What you mean them?
Them
You mean
nose rapping out, them talk funny, you know, the spirit,
no,
them.
but well, you assume so we know what you talk about, you know, so one you say it, a Doppy you talk about.
Yeah, man, I Doppy, man. I
So
tell you,
we,
say, I
well,
lie
you
down,
say through the
I lie down
Doppy,
on the bed,
well, man, say through the Doppy them nose rat out, that's what them talk funny.
Yeah.
Oh, me never know that. Okay, go and talk, so.
When me lie down now, me hear the something saying, get some man. Yeah, man. So we
Yeah,
start running, man. Run left all the yam and everything, man.
boom,
Man,
but
see me I look on 2 foot,
John, no.
Yeah, man. So me reach a my yard now and say me I go eat, and everything. Cook me food and I go eat some food.
Yeah.
When me listen out the door, me hear something there, pan. You thinking I go somewhere and hold you tonight?
Nah, man, I joke here, man. No, I joke here, man.
Yeah,
Then,
man. Me I tell you,
yeah,
I
use.
real thing me I tell you, man.
So, hold on, the Doppy no general degree, son.
Me don't know maybe him about from them time there.
When you say him, is that him or is that she? I want gear, hold on, is that gear Doppy did that for you?
No, me don't know better, me just say him or she, you see
Oh,
it, what
just
out.
because Jamaican, you know, always say him for man and woman. So, you never know. Okay. Okay. But
Yeah.
why it sound like? It sound like one woman and one man.
Boy, me no catch a voice, cause me's a coward man,
So, what are you saying that it could have been a man or a woman, Doppy?
Yeah, me not sure which, but it could have been both of them. Me don't know which one I
It could
see.
have been which one and thing. Jesus God. So I
Man or woman.
mean, but if one of them holy and or whatever, you'd have prefer one of them. Which one you'd have prefer? Which one you'd have prefer? Eh?
No, man, me not prefer none of them, my boss.
But if one of them, which one you'd have rather, the woman Doppy or the man do?
None of them, man.
No, all right, then none of them. But you hear the Doppy say them one if it go so like so the Doppy want a piece of you.
Yeah, it's so and so.
So what you do after you hear the Doppy outside and what happened after that?
Yeah, man, me have to take up my Bible, man, lick 2 songs, man, and get mad in the night there.
Trouble.
Yeah, man, when me lie down and feel say everything done now and lie down on my bed now, when me look, me see one side of my bed like something heavy come down on it, me see it a go down.
Jesus God, the Doppy come in at the house upon you.
Yeah, man, me have to run go up at one of my friend yard, man.
Hold on. Where you see the bed sink down, cause the Doppy come in and I lay down beside you, don't?
Man, me have to run go up at one of my friend yard, man, I tell you.
John, no. So what you think the Doppy did want from you?
Boy, me don't know why, no. But me know say him follow come home.
The Doppy follow you come home. But what's your best
man.
guess? What's your best guess that the Doppy wanted from you?
I know me can't figure it out, my boss.
So when you see the bed pressed down now and thing and whatever, you see the Doppy that I lay down beside it. So you say you run out of the house and go away?
Yeah, man, me have to run left from my house, man, and go up at one of my friend's house.
John, no. And then what?
And me and him come back the next day, because I know a little thing about to do little stuff, so he come burn out the house and them thing there for me.
Right, well, like, you have to teach you now. Why you used to burn out the house?
Boy, I use some cangling and some...
Hold on. For me people them up here in America who are not Jamaicans and whatever. When you hear Jamaicans say burn out, them not really burn. It's really like smoke out. It's like something is, there are certain things the Jamaican used to cut and clear the house or crosses and whatever. So, but we use the term burn out. So yes, I want why use. Why use?
Me don't know the exact thing them still, because I don't know much about it as me tell you still, but...
Yeah.
Him light some candle and something and him sprinkle some little thing and I hit that, you see me?
Okay, I think. And then after him do that, what happen?
Everything go back normal.
Oh, so that get rid of the Doppy?
Yeah, man.
And the Doppy never come back for do and anything like that, right?
From then time then, I buy ya. I no go back and no more bush go look no more while ya.
Okay, you know, go back a bush by yourself again because you're afraid the Doppy can rush you back and thing.
I'm
You know?
so dear, I have no problem with the price. Me just buy me a man go me yard, you see me?
Okay, because you not take back that chance there again, thing, see?
Oh, no, only again, my boss.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you because if the Doppy did sort you out, we don't know what would happen to you right now, you know?
You know that?
And thing. And then what happened now, remember I said Doppy, you know, reflect what go on in a society, you know. So if you have freaky people and them dead, then them are turn in a freaky Doppy.
Straight.
Yeah, and you can imagine like a freaky Doppy move to you know and start do the things them to you and whatever. Nah, go, yeah. You know, you have to be careful, you know. Because, for example, can you imagine you all get all the Doppy headers? No, nothing normal that.
No, sir.
Eh?
Me don't want to imagine that. Me
You know
never
what
imagine that.
Yeah.
No,
that,
sir.
what you think? Like a Doppy headers, it wouldn't be a good thing, right?
Me's a man afraid of them things there, you know. Dead enough to mix with the living, you know. So me believe from me very young, you see it.
Right. And then, you know, sometimes them things.
If me head even grow, me a man will take up all my Bible or so and lick 2 Psalms and, you see me?
A lot of Jamaicans say that, like if them say like if a spirit around them, I mean you say grow, but the term most Jamaicans use them say them head swell. When them head no really move, the head no move. So explain that to people. When they say your head grow, you say grow or it swell. What is happening to your head? What you feeling in your head?
Yeah, man, you feel like your head get heavy and it get fatter and fatter. You see me, like it has swell, as you say.
Yeah, but it now move really, you know, but it feel that way, they don't.
Yeah, that's the way it feel.
And Jamaicans say that is usually a sign, say some Doppy around, that's why your head as well, right?
I mean, I'm more than one thing cause it still, you know, because by growing and growing, I realize if I get frightened too, you know, that can cause it too, you know.
If you get frightened, your head swell too, right? Right? You can't answer
if you're
phone.
you can cause it too.
Okay,
Yeah,
so sometimes I not Doppy then. I just frighten, don't it?
No, if frightened or going in a trap situation, it can happen.
So do you think people just get lightheaded and them just apply that to it and say I must Doppy when nothing no go so, but them just get lightheaded, you feel so?
Me feel so sometimes when your head swells and you feel it eat with it, that's a spirit.
I Doppy for true. Okay. All right.
You don't feel it eat with it. It can be a fright or stuff like that or a shock or something.
All right. Before you go do, I want to know if you can help a young lady. You have a lady up here. She live in Florida, right? She named Christina. And she said through Florida hot and things, she always like to sleep naked. Right? But she said sometime when she asleep or whatever and she alone, it's like she feel like there's something a shell her out. But she said she's alone. And thing and whatever. And she said she don't know how to explain it, but sometimes she end up all a pop off and whatever by herself and thing and whatever. What you think happened to her there? She named Christina Brown Sugar. She live in Florida. What you think I go on this with her?
Well, maybe it's a spirit, you know, have some intercourse with her, you know.
You think so?
Yeah, man. Because when he's alone, you know, you're most like worse if it's somebody who play with themselves. That open a portal to other spirits, you know, because remember spirit is around and watching, you know.
Oh, so the spirit is around and watching all the time. So if it's somebody that play with themselves now, you said that open a portal.
For other spirits.
For other spirit come in. So when you mean other spirit, you mean like more than one?
Yeah, it can be more than one or it can be just one. It based upon the spirit that is watching at the time.
So what you mean? One spirit
always around.
spirits are always around. So So possibly then, what really cause it then according to you then, it look like she play with herself when she sleep at night time, though.
No, you know, some people when them alone, they maybe like have them rules or them maybe do little things with them hands so that open a portal to other spirit to enter.
Oh, if she use her rose or a little vibrator, them something they done.
Yeah, that's what happened. I think that's what happened. Not sure still, but
Right, but that could have, because you said the spirits are always around. So for the woman them who are use them,
always around.
if the woman them are use them rose and them vibrator and them something that open a portal and then the spirits them come in now, God, them get invited in now because the scene and the energy just allow them to come in, and I saw the spirit them come in, and the spirit them just start shell them out and put it upon them, don't?
Yeah, that just like you're up on the For You page and then you join. You see me? So them have a reason to join because them see certain activity at this place, so them join.
Okay, so more than one spirit can come into at that point, you know?
Yeah, it can be more than one, based upon the spirit that's interested at the time.
Right. So wait, but if more than one Doppy are coming in and all of them are selling, that is like a Doppy battery.
Yeah, that would have been a Doppy battery.
So these women then who are use them rose and them vibrator and thing like, what would you suggest to them then? Give it that spirits are always around, and give it that when them use them rose and them thing there and thing, it can open a portal, like you say, and make them come in. What would be your advice to these women now?
Well, the rose is a devil tool, you know, so they need a real partner.
The rose is a what?
It's a tool from the devil himself.
A joke you make, are you serious?
Yeah, man, the rose is, when you see things like them, the devil himself inspire, man. Remember, I said God inspire, man, you know. But the devil also inspire, man, too.
Oh. So you think
so when you see things like those, that's the devil, that is devil trap.
So Bolande, that means when women use all vibrators, then is the devil work that then? When women are use vibrator?
Yeah, that's a devil tool.
Oh. So basically them for stop use them then?
Yeah, man, them for stop and go the real way, because when I do the real way now, the spirit will not enter. But using the rose and you all alone, the spirit will welcome and come through that portal, as me told you.
I see. Why
because
them
you open up a gate to accept that spirit.
Open up a gate to accept the spirit. So what if them don't use a vibrator but they use them finger? What about that? Would that be okay?
No, it's the same thing, same way, no.
Really?
Yeah, because the spirit see that you are all alone and find you attractive and interested.
Oh.
So that's when you're sleeping now. That's when the person sleeping now, the spirit come in the night.
Come in the night.
Same thing.
And that's why the Doppy them a shell her out at night time, because she open up the portal, no?
Yeah, them see that she want that to be done. So them come because she welcome them in that form of way.
She welcomed them in that form. So Christina down in Florida, she's been welcoming the Doppy them for come sort her out, and she not understand the thing right and them. So tell me something I know. Does the same thing apply when man are back them face?
Yeah, man, it's the same way. Work both ways.
But given that you know, because we know, every man go through that. So given that you as a man, you have back your fist at come sometime or whatever. Doppy did take set by you when you do that?
Well, me never go them way they still,
You never back your fist yet?
No, some not go that way they still.
From you when you did younger as a youth, you never used to watch some blues and look pan some whatever and back your fist not even one time, man.
Me never really get to do that still, because my father was a pastor, so we also strict. We also grow discipline certain way.
So you never back your fist not even one time yet, my lad?
May I tell you, so never.
So like as a grown man now and thing like that and whatever, you see what going out there now. You've been around the block a couple of times. You never a juggle with a woman and do look, do look extra something, like, look freaky something. You never do that yet?
Well, the closest I got to doing that still, man, a girl used to talk overseas and
Yeah.
she said she wanted the phone sex thing and when me and her I get line up for it, the battery did kind of get low, so it did just kind of cut off.
So you never get for do the phone sex?
No, that was the closest.
That was it, but you did not go do it though.
Maybe not. But
Maybe
that
not.
is the closest as I tell you.
So you think say it was a sign that like an intervention that will prevent you from doing it, though?
Well, it could be.
Could be, though. So well, you never get a head as yet from a woman?
Yes, no man.
Eh?
Yes, no man.
So, but then when you get the headers, then that based on what you say so far, then the headers do something about then?
Yes, but what happened, it's you and someone. You is not alone at the time. When the spirit see that you is alone and doing stuff to yourself, that's when the spirit feel like him can enter.
Oh, so once you, so like say you a swipe a woman, you a go down on a woman, no, the spirit never did bother you when you do that then, right?
No, me never do that still, So, I don't know that part they go.
Oh, you never go down on a woman then?
No, sir, me get it done before, but never return the flavor.
Oh, so you get it done, but you never really do back for no woman and thing like that and whatever. Well, you say your father was a pastor and whatever, so your father, you learn most of them something from, don't you?
Yeah, we kind of grow discipline, and then man, they will show you one and two things, same way as I use.
Okay. So even though you say when you're with somebody, the spirit now, whatever, but you as a man, you probably know even like, the threesome and them something that with two women, do them something.
No, never do that before.
Would you?
But even though in a raga, I talk to you and I tell you so my father is a pastor. My father wasn't a good pastor still,
Him was what?
My father wasn't a good pastor.
Him wasn't a good pastor. Why you say that?
Because my father get most away out of the church.
Oh, so your father was a pastor, but him did a breed up woman outside of the church?
Yeah, the ladies them come to the church.
The ladies them come to the church, the pastor did a breed off the woman them come to the church?
Yeah, man, because if one of the woman, my father give him 4 sons.
Wait, your father did married?
Yeah, man, he married to my mother.
He married to your mother, but one of the church sister them come a four time in breeder and get 4 sons with she?
4 times because the woman husband's sperm count was low, so all of the Pickney them are for my father. So when the man find
before you say find out, so your father did a sell her out and breed her 4 times, but she give the Pickney them jacket to her husband or her man, right?
Yeah, jacket to her husband.
So how the husband end up find out now? Poopa Jesus.
The husband used to come to church too, and what happened now? When the husband find out, because I don't know if find out, maybe by argument or people in the community are talking, but him get a jug of gas one night and burn down my father's church. And burn down his shop also.
Well, what you said to me, you serious?
Yeah, man, for people who live in Chester Castle, if them listening, them can tell you about a man called Kenneth Thomas.
Chester Castle. Which parish that in? Which part that in? Which parish that in?
That in Hanover.
Hanover, Chester Castle. In Hanover.
Yeah, when you turn Montpellier like you go Bethel Town way.
You turn Montpellier like you go Bethel Town way.
You turn in right like you go Bethel Town way. As you go in the son name Chester Castle.
Right, Chester Castle. And again, make it be clear. So the woman, the husband and the wife did go to church, right?
Yeah.
2 of them are church member, but your father, the pastor, did a shell out the wife. That means he must shell her out for years and years and years, don't it?
Yeah, man, for years, man, because my father have 34 away,
Hold on. At 34 Pickney, your father.
Yeah, man.
Your
People,
pastor father.
yeah, man, if you go to Chester Castle and you say Kenneth, man, or you say Pele, man, the man, they will tell you the history,
All
man.
right,
The
hold
history
on.
better, man.
Hold on. First of all, your father still alive?
No, him pass off, you know,
Okay, all
from
right.
2021.
All right, good. Since him pass off, where your father, if him did still alive, you couldn't call him name, but since him pass off, where your father name?
Kenneth Thomas.
Kenneth Thomas. Or your father that, Kenneth Thomas, Pastor Thomas, and thing. And what the church in name?
Church of God 70.
Church of God 70 and whatever. So hold on now. So we're gonna get back to that. But if your pastor did breed, so you say your pastor breed other woman in our church too?
Yeah, man, couple of that woman, man.
How many more?
I think I must about 3 more.
3 more different from that woman that who did give him 4 Pickney, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you know about 4 women in our church where your pastor did breed and thing and them bring
Yeah,
Pickney.
man, because the amount of Pickney where them man are getting right now, any parish in Jamaica me a pass, we can't stop them because I have a brother or a sister.
John, no.
And him even get some of Canada when him go up on farmer. Me not put them up on the 34 because we never see them before. Me only hear that part of story.
So your father, when him go on farm work at Canada, him a breed woman at Canada too, don't?
Yeah, man, him did live in Canada and I go and do him thing.
You have some people at Canada, one named K. Edwards and one named Trini Girl. You know if any of the woman them in breed, that them name Trini or K. Edwards?
No, you know, me don't know that it's
You
really
don't know, you
As
don't
me
know.
tell them, I one of the younger one them, you know.
Yeah, okay. Kenneth Thomas, Pastor Thomas, Church of God, Seventh-day Adventist, breed up. Jesus. And only 4 women out of the church you know about though, right?
Yeah. The bigger brother them tell me about it, because I was small at the time.
Okay. And the other 3 women are 1 Pickney, each them have some of them have more than 1.
More than one, man.
And them probably have husband too, don't it? And man too when them there with them.
Yeah, man, because some of them are after them find out after everything.
So that means that your pastor they attack up to the husband them good and I pray with them and I worship the Lord good and same time when they must shell out them wife, don't it?
Yeah, man, that's why even today, you know, I not too believe in a pastor and them thing there, from the whole of them thing there, you know.
So what them say your mother did angle it, the pastor wife, your mother, what them said she did do? She didn't know them some of they are going?
My mother was a woman like this, you know, when them type of people that fall in love, then go deep, so things will happen because love blind them not see it.
Yeah, and probably they should do the church thing where say no divorce around here. You know?
Because most of my brother them, you know, most of we still we have one other brother or sister where we same age. We kind of double up.
Or I pretty much all I want to have a brother or sister the same age and whatever.
Yeah,
Jesus.
because me have a sister in America right now when I'm a Danica. Thomas, I'm my same age, same way.
Oh, you and
My brother will
Adanek.
follow me same way. I have another brother where I feel same age, same way. When I'm Daniel Thomas, so the whole of we kind of have another brother too where I will same age.
So well on you know. So yeah, so in this case though with the one with the woman who the pastor breed but oh you know about the sperm counting? Or somebody tell us that the husband sperm count did low?
Yeah, the wife tell him the pastor, my father.
I say our husband sperm count low so him can't breed
So I pay me pitney them.
Oh well on, your wife tell the so the pastor never knows I did for him pitney them. Your father
Him
never
know
did.
because the way God deal with the situation, no, God make them look exactly like him.
Like your father.
Yeah.
Well, probably I know just God that usually that is not surprising, say Pickney favor them father, you know? So and then so when the man find out no, same place up at Chester Castle there, where you say him do him get gas and go burn down the church and burn down and when him burn down the father a business place or what?
Yeah, the shop. Him did have a shop also.
Yeah, no. Was your father
Because my mother, him
yeah.
did have to end up at that place on a tender age, you know, because my mother, no, my father, they get involved with a woman. And when him get involved with that woman now, my father get another youth with that woman also same way. Our woman will live close to it. And
Yeah,
then now the man decides him now take no more of that. So the man come one morning and he bring him machete and stuff.
yeah.
So him run down one of my brother to chop him up.
Him run down one
And
of your brother for chop him up?
yeah, man. So my brother threw a stone after him now, and the man my mother threw a stone after him, and then stop run down my brother now, and turn back for my mother now, and end up give my mother 9 chop all over her body. You see me?
You know, so that is horrible.
Yeah, man. So me never
Hold
like
on.
that place. Still, you know,
No, hold on. So one of the woman who your father sell out, that woman there, she did breed for him too?
yeah, man. Him have a big daughter right now with that lady.
All right. And then now when Fireman find out what happened, the Fireman come down a phone place for basically I come for your father.
Yeah. If you deal with, but he wasn't there at the time.
And him end up getting an argument with one of your big brother.
Yes, and then him start run down my big brother
Big
when they
brother.
have to get back
When the
together.
argument go on. So your mother see what go on and throw a stone off him in an effort to make him low for your son.
Yes, believe him, and then now him turn back for my mother.
Him turn back for your mother and give your mother how much chop?
9 chop. Yeah, man, she get chop on her hand, leg, or even her breast.
And then when them carry her go hospital and thing, right?
My mother go hospital. Them time they were young youth because my mother come from St. Elizabeth, you know. So we
Yeah.
end up did leave when my mother, brother them and other family tell her, said, down there is not safe here anymore. So if when she get better and stuff like that, she need to come back home at St. Elizabeth. So my mother come back home with the whole 8 away.
And this are the 8 where your father have with your mother. See your mother, see your father, right?
Yeah, man, she come with the whole 8 away come back at St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth. And then what your father do after that?
My father did left for Chester Castle, still a whore down the place, you know.
And then after that happened, your father breed any other woman over there after that? Any other man,
Yeah,
woman?
man. Him go and breed up the place and stuff, man, because when we come here now, him never really take care of we, you know. We mother have to plant peanut and them something there with our chop up self and all of them something if we take care of we. And then now the bigger brother them were bigger than we now, help her. We take care of we, the smaller ones. So that's how comes we survive. Could have go school and turn out to something, you see me?
Wow, this is I don't even know what to say in terms of, you know, the whole ordeal and things like that. So what was
Chester
the
Castle is a place that the whole situation I'm not talking about, you leave a history in that area, you know. If you go there and first say Pele, them are going to just read out everything what I tell you right now.
if you go there and say Pele what?
When you say Pele, them are going to just read out everything I tell you.
Who is Pele?
Chester Castle.
Who is Pele?
That was my father, but because he was him famous in the community, I did one of the main famous man in the community.
Yeah.
I deal with politics and the man did have one of the biggest farm when I go back 7 rivers with coffee and orange and also. So he also provide work for a lot of people.
Oh, so that was the appeal for your father then. He was a big man in the community and him did have money and property and them something there, right?
Yeah, and the man they raise a lot of chicken and them stuff there. And when the man they pick up egg at thousands of eggs. Workers him and them stuff there.
Okay, and then so I really that did I go on this. So him did have money and thing, and you know the woman them in the community them, you know, some of them probably in a need and thing, and yeah, probably some of them all too they just.
My mother, when my mother knew him, he never have nothing, you know. My mother really have the fighting spirit, so my mother fight and build business with him. Because when my mother knew him, back in the days, my mother tell me, say, I train him did a preach pan. You know, them used to go around pan the train and preach, and then them hold long their hat and calico thing in it. So
Yeah.
that's what he was doing at the time. So my mother take him up now and him did have some kids who live at Kingston, and my mother take even the kids them too and take care of them at the time. And when them come down by Chester Castle, not even clothes them never have.
Mm-hmm.
So my mother take RP and them where they buy up some little clothes and something till him could get them on a level and get them go school and all of them stuff there.
Yeah. Oh, I'm being
But
on lookout for them.
most of them first kid they still them there in England.
How them reach England?
Well, my sister go over there first, my bigger sister, and then now. What she do still, she only take up the one them from her mother side.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
them,
okay,
you know,
okay, from the
yeah,
mother.
so
Okay.
she kind of stick to one side.
And a 34 Pickney you know about, but you know, but you said there could be more, though.
Yeah, them could be more because there's two and not two confirm as yet.
So them something, any of them something they go to like law enforcement, any of them look at thing they go police, like well when the place burned down and all them something there, what did come out of?
No, not never come outside, you know, because you have people in the district that tell him straight, say him wrong. You see it, and at that cause is so him below it.
Okay. So him never press no charges and think on the brother were burned down on the house. On the house and the shop. No charges never pressed against him, no?
No, it was just the church and the shop get burned down.
The
But
church
no
and
charge never go on it.
okay. And the brother who find out say 4 jacket him get from you know, because your pastor did shell out him wife who did in the church. Him and the wife that did stay together or them did you know, church
Them
and
did
shop.
live, no, but them never two live in enough peace like that. Them live and live and live till them pass away.
Okay. Somebody asked where all well in basically somebody said where are your brothers and sisters, but him they kind of explained that already. Some they are foreign, some they both and thing and whatever, you know.
Yeah, man. Some them scatter in Jamaica still, you know. Because my brother at Westmoreland, my brother in Hanover same way. Kingston same way. See me a lot of flicker place same way.
But the one them where him get with the other woman them who did have them husband and them man and whatever, them did have the man them who them did have the man them last name who did get the jacket, don't?
Yeah, some of them change their name after a while, some of them just leave it as it is.
Leave it as it is and thing. But
funeral we link up still, and some of them call me now and then and we talk. Them we ask me if we good on them way them, we ask them the same. Or sometimes we link up and you see me.
Well, and so them they call him Pele. A Pele him the name for a long time, or is that a name him did get after?
That time alias name in the community.
Yeah, but to the best of your knowledge, you know, when him did get that name, them did name Pele from when him a juggle with your mother and a preach pan train?
Yeah, man, from that time there, because that was the main name for him from him younger growing up.
Okay. Why, Jano is like...
Some people crown him and call him King Pele.
Why them call him King Pele?
Because to him have a whole heap of Pickney and them stuff there, and him a general, he always getting a problem and getting himself out. If them man they go in a court and some situation where people face him go to prison for him, come out of it.
Oh, so them say him always a win, him always a score goal, him ever a win, don't?
Yeah, them call him king. Even before him pass off with the him sell a man piece of land, and him sell the man the land for $7 million. But it was a small piece of land, but him fence around piece of the government piece and show the man say a whole lot of that for him. So the man buy the land now, and when the man look, I think I don't remember in the mirror the star, the man look and see same piece of land put up for sell again. So the man go back now to stop him.
Yeah.
And man get the court thing and line up court and everything and stuff and start taking him in action. And him tell the man say if him bring him go to court, him can't win him cause him come to buy the land from him sick bed, and when he reach certain age, you're not supposed to do certain transaction.
That him tell the man?
Yeah, man. And when the man check out the whole process, a real thing, the man say me more for charge, you know. So the man end up losing whole line money this and I just a little piece of land him have left up till now.
I am a lawyer, and that is an affirmative defense in the law for true, you know? If you get an agreement, reach an agreement with somebody who is not of sufficient capacity in order to engage in that, then it is on you, then it's your fault and things like that. Yeah. So when you say
the man cry water, you know, because the man say him is a principal and him never know say an old man could have scam him them way there.
John, your father was a proper general then, man.
Yeah, man, even in farm, you know, when he sell the farm, you know, something did happen to the guy when he sell the farm for, you know. I think that guy did it somewhere overseas, do some drugs thing and them hold on upon him. And my father go back and claim back the land and say, boy, line up documents and everything and say the man did only give him quarter of the money.
We explain that other one ago.
Yeah, man, even in farm, when him sell the farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, him line up documents and everything and said the man did only give him quarter of the money for the farm.
So him sell the farm to the man and presumably get the full money. But when him hear say the man get, you know, beat a foreign and thing and whatever and this and that, him just go back and then reclaim the farm and say, no, him never pay for the farm and things. So
yeah, him only play and come in with documents and things. So him end up get back the farm all over again. With
so by default. Yeah. So when your father drop out?
Yeah, man, 2021.
I just 1 year. 4 years
yeah,
ago.
Man.
How old was he when him drop out?
Yeah, man, him was 74.
74. And him still up at Chester Castle when him drop out?
No, him did live Betheltown.
Betheltown and thing or whatever. But him did done with the church thing by them time, they don't?
You know, say him, I think him die as a pastor, you know, and they go back, go RD and back all over, you know.
What? Him what?
Him RD and back over and it becomes pastor and saying that I go run church at England. That's what they tell me the last time.
So weird. So what? The RD happened after the whole thing with the jacket them and the church and the shop burned down and everything and them told me that some denomination got ordaining him back again in I see him denomination and one different one.
Man, for the last, yeah man, when him go back over, go do it all over again.
And then make him a pastor again. Like it's like you married over, don't? It's like you restate your vows them, don't?
Yeah, man, him go back all over again. Some of my brother them are pastor, you know, and them still do them things still, but none of we not have it, like we said, too much. Enough kids like him still. We just have one and two.
Yeah.
My sister would have said maybe him have out with a lot or so my sister always said still. Him so have what we did have already. So
yeah, him have John, no. Anyway, big up yourself for share this with me, you know, because and it sounds to me, because you give a whole heap of chapters of the thing, you know, and whatever, but it's one of them things the way it should be obvious to listeners right now that a whole heap more something there the way you don't even tell me yet. No.
Yeah, because you have to bypass some and cut long story short. But if you ask me another time, I can tell you the same way as how I tell you because that's what it is.
All right. Listen, man, thank you for sharing with us tonight, doing a big respect. You hear, sir? And
yeah,
big
man,
up
bless up yourself, Raga.
All right, man, and you know, just go and survive and rise up in this and do well. You hear, sir?
Cool, man.
All right, then protection. All right.
All right, blessing.
Yeah.
And thanks for the gift, everyone.
What that?
No, but just tell everyone who send the gift, thanks.
Yeah, man, on give him, who can give him, who know if give him, man. You know, before him leave, to who want give him right now. All right, because the man there and him, you know, him share him story and
even though I like talk about my mother still being chopped up, you know, me never go back to the community just to avoid a feeling there because it kind of, you see me, kind of get a deep feeling like You should have do the family something more at the time. You should have bigger at the time where you can defend the thing. But so true that
Yeah,
me have community, even though me have a lot of family, then me just can't stay at that community if you know say boy, this is that me as and this is go down here so. Try if you avoid the community.
because it's still painful when you think about what happened to your mother and thing, don't it?
Yeah man, cause even my bigger brother, them would talk about this story. Them just don't talk about it, them try not to. Or if people ask them about it, them will try get maybe angry or sorry. You see me?
Oh, understandable, because them still hurt from what it happened to their mother, you know?
Yeah man, them feel away.
John, no. And you say
But me
when you...
do music so you know, so me go give her one song before me left.
Yeah, man, run. You want to do it right now?
Yeah man, me go give her one song before me left. Yeah man, yeah.
Make we hear it now.
Me say you can't mix badness with music. Any day you do that, you are gonna lose it. Can't mix badness with music. Feel said them was but a foolish, them foolish. You can't mix badness with music. Any day you do that, you are gonna lose it. Can't mix badness with music. Feel said them was but a foolish, them before no artist boss member said them did poor. Never have no bed, did a sleep on floor. But now them make money and the thing get galore. Them run go buy guns, say I call them one bore. As an artist, we have couple hit song in the top 10, your tune rate #1. You tune them and mash up the radio station. As you figure up on tour, you run go kill man. You want to be artist and want to be done. Two different things, hey, you better choose one. Enough of them and mash up the music industry. Some go make mystery and go left history. You can't mix badness with music. Any day you do that, you are gonna lose it. Can't mix badness with music. They said them was but a foolish, them foolish. Whether you go a Magnum or you go a Sting, you get the mic with DJ, you get it fissing. You violate your fans, well, backlash go fling. You could get against Baclara, Heineken. Hey, badness or badness, music and music. I hit choose me, I never me choose it. So me not know why some boy are pre-badness right now that I go confuse me. I the same thing me a raga I discuss. No artist dead before them bust. No for them a kill man and I put it in a song. That's why police run investigation. You can't mix badness with music. Any day you
Check. You probably mute your mic, you know. Check. Look if you mute your phone. Look if you mute your phone here, because you're still dead and you probably a sing and no know so we not hear you, yeah? Oh, him get cut off. Look like him phone cut off. And thing. Well, bless his heart, man. Bless him heart and thing. And big respect for him tune too, you know? Big respect for him tune too. And think I see some conscious lyrics in Mate. And that is definitely applicable to some of the artists them out there who are mix up the thing, you know? You know, in the entertainment thing and then I juggle badness at the same time, you understand? But yo, what people, when I say why I'm telling you, say, Mood just do this and do this alone. You know, if me could, Mood just host the actual alone. Right? Some days, slow, people not come in, other days, it's just like life, I'm telling you, it's an organic experience, and, they're on a constant high throughout life, sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, but we have a lot of laughs here, but we also have a lot of learning, And right throughout the decades of doing this, I tell people, say, I have many degrees where I have to deal with studying human behavior, culture and human conduct. That's my degrees are focused on that. And I learned a lot there. But with all my degrees and all the theories and methodologies that I know from academia, nothing compared to what me learn from just hearing Mixup. When Mixup, I tell you what people go on within a life, you know. And that's how it real, man. And that's how the full 100 there, you know. When you hear people's stories, when you hear some things that happen to people, you know. And that is one of the powerful use of a platform like this, when you can, you know, when it facilitates the expression of what people go through and what people are doing, whatever, you can, well, a reasoning about it, well, amends to yourself, and, you know, and come to even some some uncomfortable conclusions about the nature of people, you know. We have broad strokes of things. We know some people selfish. We know some people manipulative. We know some people treacherous. We know some people kind. Some people gullible. Some people sweet. Some people caring. Some people altruistic. Some people evil. Some people narcissistic. There's a whole. We have the broad strokes there, but when we hear individual stories that accentuate and elaborate on some of these things and whatever, and we hear, and we know some of them things are really happening, it kind of, it has a shock value to it, but it has also an opportunity for you to say, boy, I learned something today, Pele, Kenneth Thomas. A man they not easy. A man they not easy at all. What him say the community name again? What him say something Chester Castle. Chester Castle. Right, and yeah, say I chew him attack, Man, I say, just go Chester Castle and ask about it, I have woolly part of a little story there about, in remote communities all over the country, but them just never get an outlet for them expression. So I just people in them little town and where we say district, them little district, and them, this so you have to go for year to something of them, Man go hard, man, and sadly, you're and the mother got through, So whole heap of layers did it to the thing, Whole heap of layers did it to the thing. And Lord Jesus is another pastor again, Use the clergy as a cover to engage in a multitude of nefarious activities and whatever for selfish purposes, resulting in pain and hurt to so many other people. Damn. Pele from Chester Castle died in Betheltown. And do remember, I'm here Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. or thereabouts until 9 or later. As you see, we're going later tonight. Again, I'm here Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. Right us up on TikTok. All right? And when you're coming to the show, do not depend on TikTok to let you know that I'm here. You have to because TikTok very often don't give you notification that my show start. So you have to just come on TikTok and just put in Ragashanti and then just come over to the page. And Mondays to Thursdays, me there. Sometime a little bit before 6, sometime a little after 6. All right? But I write us somewhere there and we have the show. We have the show again every night, Mondays to Thursdays, right? Yes, so see. Also, people do remember my birthday party, particularly if you're in the United States, particularly if you're in the state of New York. My birthday party, Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens, New York. Ragabash, Ragashanti birthday party, Saturday, November 20th at the Amazura in Queens, New York, right? My birthday party, you don't know, says a grown and sexy affair. Big people music, but jiggy and festive, Ragashanti style, see it? Music by, my little brother DJ Chris Cross, legendary selector up here and thing, from Jamaica to up here and thing, saying. And of course, DJ Roy, icon in the thing. And of course, Glamour Wayne, who is a walking institution in Jamaican entertainment and thing. The music I go up, Echo Vibe Sound, JBQ and the whole works and thing. And a whole bunch of selector who are come represent a Ragashanti birthday party and things, saying, make sure so on the forward, we want to come out and come enjoy on yourself. Ragabash is always fun, it's always exciting, it's always epic, it's always a vibe, seeing? So I just want to come on. We just want to come on, come enjoy on yourself, right? Everything is everything. It's nice. It's always nice, right? So we just want to support. Do remember tickets are available all over New York City, and tickets are online at Eventbrite. The party is at September, right? Mr. November. Oh, sorry. I don't know why. September, people. Saturday, the 20th of September. Saturday, the 20th of September. Saturday, the 20th of September. The 20th of September, my birth month. The best month in the year. When I want an argument, every time I say that someone will come for me. September, the best month in the year. All of the Virgo Nation, them want to celebrate them birthday when they can come celebrate at the party too and thing, all right? Saturday, September 20th, Amazura in Queens, right? And do remember, tickets are available at what? Rockatoon Restaurant up in the Bronx, Rockatoon Restaurant, 218 on White Plains Road, Tickets are also at People's Choice Furniture, right? People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road in the Bronx. People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road in the Bronx. And tickets are available in Mount Vernon at Just Jerk Restaurant. Tickets are available there. Just Jerk Restaurant will be doing the catering for the party. And them I do the food for the ultra VIP and the VIP and thing. Big up Just Jerk Restaurant up there in Mount Vernon. Tickets are in Queens at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. Tickets are there. Tickets are also at Hillside Avenue at Genesis Restaurant. Again, tickets are at Hillside Restaurant and Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Mr. Hillside Restaurant. Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Tickets are in Brooklyn at Yard Style Restaurant. That's at 105 on Flatlands up on the Canarsie side. And tickets are also at Topaz Restaurant in Brooklyn. You can also get your tickets online at eventbrite.com. You just have to put in Ragabash. That's the name of the event. And you also have to put in the state where it's being held. And of course, that's New York right here in New York City. So you put in Ragabash and New York at eventbrite.com, and you can buy your tickets. Now, yes, Topaz had a fire, but remember you have Topaz 1 and Topaz 2. So the tickets are at Topaz 2, right? Again, the tickets are at Topaz 2. I'm the address, but Topaz 2. Me telling you what the address is. Topaz 2. Topaz 2. Topaz. Hold on there. I know this it now. I think this is Topaz 1. Oh, well. Okay. Yeah, man, I think it's at Topaz 2, okay? I think this is probably 428 East 48th Street. That's probably Topaz 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So, but just lock on the tickets, man. And of course, anybody who want to buy your tickets directly from me, you can do so. Just send me a text, right? Just send me a text. You can buy your tickets directly from me. Just send me a text to the following number. To buy your tickets directly from me. And again, TikTok not like when you give out number too much, so I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm not prepared enough to take the number, right? So write down the number, right? Or put it in on the phone. Just get ready. I'm going to say the number twice, all right? And you just send me a request. It's the 20th of September, Saturday the 20th of September, right? And you can send me a text at the following number to buy your ticket. Oh, you're so pretty. Isn't it weird when women describe men as pretty? No, I'm not pretty, me an old man. It's mass ragga, big nose, big head ragga, right? Zeus pretty for DJ Crisscross and whatever, right? Yeah, don't want pretty, right? Okay, here's the number, right? You send me a text if you want to buy the number directly from me. The number is 516 500 0210. And somebody who can put it in there so people can see it. Again, it's 516 500 0210. Right? You can get the tickets directly from me. I'll make arrangement. You send me a Zelle and I send the tickets to you and we'll get them to you. Admission is $45. Entrance, that's the standard, $45. And again, it's at Amazon, big place, and Amazon is expensive and pricey to get. Yeah, but it's a nice place to have an event like this, you know? Right? It's $45 entrance, $90 VIP, $150 Ultra VIP. Again, $45 entrance, $90 VIP, and $150 Ultra VIP. No, smoking is not allowed in there. And my ladies don't like that. You know, my ladies don't want to smoke up, please. And smoking is not allowed in there. So I'm telling you from now, all right? Right? And it's a grown and sexy affair, family affair, TamFam affair, okay? So when you just come and enjoy yourself. A nice little vibes, a nice little family vibe. Festive and jiggy and nice and thing. And of course, Ragashanti have a little stint with me, do and talk up the things and select some music to and entertain you and make you laugh. There is no color theme, just wear what you have, but look good. One of them event there, you know, look decent, look clean and nice. Come out clean and proper, right? It's about elegance and class, all right? It's a grown and sexy affair. It's about elegance and class. And people do dress and put themselves together and come on good, right? Because that's something there, yeah? And things seen to make sure, say, want to forward and come enjoy yourself and just have a good time, all right? And it's always good. It's always good. All right, big up on yourself, people. Everything is everything. We'll go for some more mix-up. And right, yeah, got the show not done yet. We have about 40 minutes to go before it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to get out of here and think. Evoking Belonging says she loves the elegance and class. Elle says she can't wait. Right, Chumpy by him 4 Ultra VIP already. Right, she named the by 3... VIP. K. Edwards said, dog bite is wearing his birthday suit. That's not a good thing. Don't worry him not. Juice Media, big up yourself, you know. Juice Media, big up yourself. Melody Baltimore, large up everything is everything. Yeah, Florida ain't the place, don't. All right, people, I can see if we can get some more mix up. Why? I want the rock way a while ago, man. You see it? I want the rock way a while ago. Enough things the dog share with we, you know. You understand? Everything is everything, man. We're there. All right. Here we go. More mix-up, we say, you know. Yeah, and do remember, subscribers only broadcast tomorrow. Subscribers only broadcast tomorrow. So if you want another broadcast there tomorrow, if you want another show there tomorrow, you have to subscribe to the channel, right? So follow the channel, you know. But you can't subscribe to if it be a part of the subscribers only broadcast that we have. And I just want to remind you, in the subscribers only broadcast, people are allowed to be freer with their language and what them talk about. So it's heavy on mix-up, you know, related to dugu and all them something there, and people just talk free. So make sure it's something where you can manage, because people are what we Jamaicans would say raw. Them just talk free. That broadcast is tomorrow, all right? Good evening. Wait, Elaine, too cute. Wagwan.
Me there now no close, Raga.
What's up, boo?
Me there in my bed. Evening to all of your people, them. Our people.
That's right. Well, on your TV in the background kind of loud, this way you can't move her from me. I read you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You
I
can.
reference me. I listen out for Cashpot.
Yeah.
Cashpot from what the end of Raga. Me soon tell her what me call you about.
Yeah.
Me dream see somebody pregnant, 2 different dream. But one of the pregnant woman dead. And one have a baby, young baby, and she's still pregnant. Last week, Thursday, from the week, me I work with number 8 and 34 because number 8 at the belly, the pregnant belly.
Number 8, well, I eat a belly. At the belly.
Yes. Yeah, and 34 at the baby. So me I work with them 2 number. They when me go up on the road, because me is not a gambler to run down gambling. But when me go up on the road,
Yeah.
me will buy the number there. Me buy it Raga Wednesday. Thursday the man come with number 8. And me not have it 2 times in play the 8. Me I tell you, mega monster because I have this thing mega. If you mega gold ball, red ball, a monster, so you catch more money for your money.
Yeah. And you never catch it Thursday.
No, so anyway, Friday me go town, go buy a little onion and sit because me I Saturday thing, me can't bother the rush.
Yeah.
And me say, you know what? Me I buy the head play, me I buy the 34 there. And a 6 time a day the man play. 6 time a day.
Yeah.
So me never a 26 in the play and I 8:30, but then time I me that town and me now walk up and down look for no cash pad please.
Right.
So when me come back a price right now 10:30 never gone yet. So you have it 8:30, 10:30, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8:25, so 6 draws. So me buy it from 10:30, the 34 for the whole draw till 8 o'clock, 50 cross the board. So me spend that'll be 5 draws. So me spend $300 2 draw 6 $750. Me spend $750 for rest of draw. Right till I reach up here, me go sleep because sun kill me at town. So when me wake up, me ask one of my friend what player. She said 34, but I be a white ball. Anyway, me there and me lay down see away. 1 o'clock come Raga 34 again. And I be a white ball. The man now make me have no food.
Then then the white ball them not still pay something.
It just pay the regular, the $1,400. But if you make a monster, you get a nice little food. Yeah,
Okay, me see what you ask. Me see what you ask.
Hard on them something.
Okay.
So today, you know, my grandson birthday today.
Oh.
Yeah, so him is a beach man, you know, he love water Raga. When me a bathe him at night time, after your show done, if me follow him, you know, want come out of the water. I love water. And you know, saying drink water hard to Raga, you know, so like a Pickney them that want juice with them food, not him. 1 case at all water and I serve him 1 week.
And him good. You see, water him say. That is a good thing.
Man.
That is a good thing.
That all of my family, them say, post Pickney, them see work water so hard.
Yeah.
Work it.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Me carry him go Elsha because me wake up early this morning and we ready up because me say me want to have a good time in the water, you know. When we reach a Elsha to 10. So, I mean I water from them time till after 3.
What?
Me making yes man, in the water boy no want nothing to eat and you know eat fish in a Raga. Him not in the swim around thing, my love. Anyway. True. Anyway.
Yeah.
They got the cash pot place because one day on the beach, 1 o'clock did gone, and me go ask the girl, what player? She said 36. Me said, all right, give me 34. A 3 draw gone already, so I left 3 draw. So me buy the 34 for the 3 draw and 1 draw for tomorrow morning. So a 4 draw, because you can't buy if you go over the next day, you know.
Oh, okay.
And me say, give me number 9. Me I buy my grandson age too.
Right.
No?
Right.
Raga, the man play 34.
He played the 34.
Yes, and he still no mega it a man sight.
Oh,
Me a
okay.
white ball. Me grieve, man.
Well, at least you still catch it though, don't?
Yeah, me still catch a so. Me still catch a food, yes. Nothing wrong with that. Anyway, why me sending me request the man there what did just attack and attack about the dildo, the rules and the something say bring evil spirit in your space.
Yeah.
Me believe in it, Raga. Somebody tell me already. One night me there in a Raga. Come me open a me dildo, you know, me open a me dildo and one night.
Hold on. Where your dildo name again? Pink Floyd. That one there?
Pink Floyd. Yeah, man.
The one when you
put on condom for this.
Hold on, only one you have though, right?
Pink Floyd.
Pink Floyd.
Yeah, man. Pink Floyd.
Well, how big is Pink Floyd? How big is Pink Floyd?
Pink Floyd about, Lord Jesus, look how me I show you, Raga, and not him see me, about 6 inch. It look like a nice little penis, you know, too big and you know too small.
Okay. All right, so, big up Pink Floyd.
Nice.
Yeah. So you did it. You know, not big thing. So you did your work, you did your angle your business with Pink Floyd, and then what happened?
Yes, Raga. All right. One Wednesday night, because me up in this Pink Floyd still, you know, every week me drop is Pink Floyd or 2 times for the week me drop it.
Hold on. I know you up in a Pink Floyd up in a you.
Up in a me, yeah. Me get so addicted to it until one Wednesday night.
Yeah.
Mark Stewart compound used to do a program.
Pastor Mark Stewart, yeah.
Reverend Pastor Mark Stewart, yes. Him do one program. He's a pastor, and I'm not telling a line, preach good enough, I love take him in, but him in politics things too much. He burn out Mr. Wellness and our cartel in start pan. Me just can't manage them thing there, but him preach very good. He's a good pastor for listen to. And me there Raga listen to the man, you know, lay down with my handset so up on my pillow. You know when you put your hand on your head back?
Yeah.
And me there listen to Mark Stewart, you know.
Yeah.
And Raga, I don't know what spirit coming here, one black man. The man black like a black boot. In black Raga, me can't make out your face, the man have no clothes naked as the damn ban.
One naked spirit? Basically one naked Doppy, one black naked Doppy coming by you.
Naked me I seen penis.
You seen penis? The spirit be?
Naked Raga.
Well, are you seeing penis?
Yes, Raga, me not. Yes, Raga.
So hold on. You're not seeing face, but you're seeing penis.
Raga, me I see the man face, but me can't make him out. I don't know who it is in black like a shoes. Me I tell you, and him penis in naked as the damn ban across where the bed me set and said so in a Raga. We just hang down and I listen to Mark Stewart. Mark Stewart has preached out Helena. I preach. And it's like the man want come on to me, you know. Come on to me and I find myself. You know what I say when them come near you or whatever, it's like you get numb up, like you want to say something and can't say the words what it come out. Like me you know me, them something never happened to you yet, Raga, like something in your sleep and you try to say something and it can't come out.
Oh, you asked me if me experience that. You not ask me if Doppy come for sort me out. That you know.
No, not the sort out part.
If you're asleep?
That never happened to you yet.
Yeah, that happened, but them have a term for it, you know. It's called sleep paralysis. But go on talk, you go on talk.
Anyway, me dead you know, me I try if you say something like me want say the blood of Jesus again, so but it can't come out.
Come out, yeah.
And Raga, me ear like Mark Stewart feel the energy. Me no know, and him start going bad. And him start going bad, Reverend Mark Stewart.
Yeah.
And then like the Doppy I go towards the radio if you plug it out, you know.
Hold on. Not the plug. The Doppy ear, through the Doppy ear, Mark Stewart a bonfire upon the ear in them and thing. The Doppy did want to plug out the radio though. In Brighty. The Doppy Brighty.
Raga, you think I joke me I make?
No, but the Doppy.
Joke me I make.
The Doppy out there, but the Doppy can come and go and unplug your radio. Go and talk, and then what?
I open Raga, me eye open, but my mouth. Me no know what happened to me mouth, but the words can't come out.
Can't come out.
Reverend Mark Stewart a go on with him thing and him a move to the radio, you know, like he want plug it out and he couldn't plug it out. And you see when me jump up, so like him flash and go in the bathroom.
Well on. The Doppy, when you jump up, the Doppy run go in the bathroom?
Yes, when me with my sister never there, me alone there, and me call my sister and start ball. And then sitting there, you know, and she a said, just go read your Bible and this and that, and me a ball, you know, Raga. And when me wake up and start tell some people, and then sitting there and say, any your penis did go in and you are done, you done for.
Jesus God, why would that happen? What do you mean?
Them say Reverend Mark Stewart save me. And you did ever have sex with me. Me something would have rotten away. You would have
them say any of the Doppy did have sex with her, your pums would have rotten away?
Yes.
So hold on, Reverend Mark Stewart save your pony then?
Save me punani.
No, so here I know you have a go for no Reverend Mark Stewart have one program at Jamaica. Don't have one program at Jamaica, don't?
Yeah, me did go pan in must see the son and tell him.
One Sunday we have to go back there and tell him say me Ragashanti want interview him for my show, yeah? Cause him need for hear about me need for talk to him about this and you say you tell him but me need for talk to him about it and thing, you know.
Serious thing, Ragashanti, serious thing, because the man did there, I preach little bit, you know, and then you see like the energy from my house, him feel it or whatever, and start blood up the sitting, you know, the evil spirit, and he start blood it up and he start going. Only thing him never do is call me name. Right.
So hold on, when you see the Doppy and you see penis, the penis did big or did little bit?
It did little, I want little sit me see. Never did little.
No, me just need to know. So hold on, it was one little body Doppy.
Him body did liquor.
Yeah,
I don't know if you want to call it liquor body Doppy, but I want tallish man. He not tall like you, but...
He not tall like me, but him tallish and one.
Yes.
And with a little body, wait, I say like what size? Like about how many inches? Rough estimate, like about...
Maybe 4 inches.
4 inches.
No, 2 inch in daddy shrink.
Oh, it did dead. Oh, it never stand up. The Doppy.
No, it never stand up, man. Never stand up. Steve.
But perhaps you had nothing to fear from a deadwood Doppy. If the Doppy would be dead, and no one deadwood Doppy, dead body Doppy. Then...
Maybe if he did come over me the right way to the right,
Yeah, it
know.
would rise. And then probably it would have more inches to one thing, you know. It could rise from like all a 4 to a
And
10.
people are
Eh?
tell me, say, yeah, exactly. Some if you sleep with me light on all kind of some. So one time I go to YouTube and me see some flowers where them say it take out bad energy. Not for evil spirit. Suppose somebody are coming in my room with them bad energy, it keep out bad energy. So me have the front door and the back door. So me get
What the name
two
of the
plants.
flowers?
Me
What the
put
name
that-
of the flowers?
Me no remember why name. God know. Me no remember name.
All right then.
Maybe your people them must be sitting
No.
under that snake. Some snake.
Me know which one, man. It me that go tell you is one. It would green and yellow. I forgot what that flowers are named. The green and yellow one.
Yes.
What the
Yes,
green and yellow
man.
flowers name? The one will look like it like it's sharp. Come up on it. Each of the leaf
Yes,
them long
Mr.
and
Raga.
pointed.
Yes, man.
Snake
Yes,
plant.
yes.
Snake plant.
CM one. It's
All right,
CM1.
people. Me just a tell you know what I learn, whether or not you believe it or not. But you see that snake plant, there it's a green and yellow plant, and the leaf them it not have no limb. It's like the leaf them just come right up.
It just
You see that plant? Me just a tell you know whatever this and that. There's a lot of things I know about these things. But if you know if you want, the general notion is, if things not go right in your life and you feel like say some bad blessing upon you or some evil spirit or whatever, the general thing is that plant. You must have it at the front of your house, the back of your house and thing and whatever. And if you can, you put it near your window and whatever and thing. Also, leaf of life too. Okay. Just telling you.
Or in your bathroom, your living room, anywhere in your house you can put it. But me have one at the front door and one at the back door. Yeah. God
So when
know,
I know aliens, so since you put them up, you feel a difference in the place or anything like that?
God know me no feel nothing come on, no head, no swell, nothing. Me not lie.
So it look like it might be the case then that the new plant are ease off, you know, the little Doppy, the little body Doppy, you know, from coming from
No, me I tell you, me say me give thanks to Mark Stewart that night they become members. Either mother sick or rotten way or something because of some elder people me go to, you know, me not go to my age group, you know, people who know them something that them say, did ever get it.
Any did ever send up something upon you or eat that and thing, right? Your pums would have rotten away. Them said, don't.
Because John, he's dead, you know. Yes, him dead. And dead not supposed to mix with live. You know?
Right.
I tell her, Raga.
Well,
they are still, so when me, what you say?
No, just real quickly, but we're glad you raised this and thing because I mean, I'm not joke now, but I don't know if you ever hear about Queen Nash. She in one little situation there where she don't want to believe it, but them a tell her, say, Doppy a try sort her out and thing, but she don't want to believe it because she don't think anything goes so and thing, say anything can go so. Queen Nash and thing, but based on what you are saying, based on what enough Jamaican believe, it's possible, don't it? It's possible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, then we come back.
So what you that suggest Queen? What is that suggest Queen Nash do no?
All she do, she wear new panty. If somebody dead fear, them not afraid of no black, and they not afraid of no something around your waist. So I mean the tape measure, they not afraid of no red.
Yeah.
Nothing no go so. All you have to do is wear underwear where them never take off.
What on there? No, but hold on. But yeah, so she, basically, if it's somebody who she did involve with another person, they drop out.
Like
if
your
weird
boyfriend or your husband.
No, but in a fear position, she not have no boyfriend or pass out. Them just say, you know, them tell her, say like, you know, the Doppy them like her, and them say her thing up, you know, and the Doppy them a try sort her out. But she has said nothing no go so.
Like my try situation. Why Doppy try?
Yeah. But apparently the Doppy them, a relative and friend them tell her, said Doppy I try sort her out at night time and thing and whatever. And thing, you know.
How them know that?
No.
How them know that?
Yeah, because one time she said she feel like say something a grab her leg, back her knee, and a draw up her knee, and she feel a weight pan her. And she said it's probably just a dream or her imagination, and she wake up like she a fight off something off her, you know? A fight off something off her, and she say I just dream. So them I tell her, say I no dream. I fight the Doppy, because the Doppy did I try send her the thing pan you, and whatever, and thing like that. So you think say she forget the snake plant to and them something they don't?
Yes. That's all mother tell her to do.
Anything else you reckon? Well, Queen Nash, let me see. She in a chat. Yeah, she did a Queen Nash. She in a chat. Queen Nash, what else she can do?
Queen Nasha, the secretary.
Yes, to her, that she same one. Talk to her.
Alright, and she can get some consecrated olive oil.
Well on, talk to her. She'll listen, she in there. Talk to her.
Queen Nash, get the same snake plant if it is there, and put, if a 2 door there your room, you put them at the 2 door. As well as you can get some consecrated olive oil where the minister pray over, and wipe it on there, put bottom and make a cross.
Well on. What she for do? What she for do with the consecrated oil? The what?
Like she got tips on her finger. Me I got show you know, see me Raga. What happened to alien? And go like this and make a cross on her put bottom.
Yeah.
Or you see the room door them, she just gonna make a cross.
Make a cross.
Tip it and yes, I make a cross in her forehead too.
Then. But given that she not have nobody who she did there with the dead fear, she not have to wear the new panty, them or red panty or anything like that. She not have to do that. Eh?
No. Like nobody who dead fear. But people, if you have anybody who dead fear, nobody with no red or no. Why name the tape measure? Because when them alive, they know about that.
Oh.
So them not afraid of that. Just go buy up some new set of underwear.
No, but Elaine, for a long time at Jamaica, them say if the woman them for wear red panty when them man dead and all them something there.
Them not afraid of that. Raga. The Doppy them not afraid of that.
But
it's
what?
A new underwear because them never see them people in that.
Oh.
Let me tell them too.
Confuse them nastiness with the new underwear, new underwear them.
What me I tell her, Raga? Them never take off that.
Well, as you would have said, then no eat.
Why? God.
Okay. Well, Queen Nash in a better position, you know, and hope she do what she need to do and, you know, take care of herself and whatever, because I don't think any woman, including Queen Nash, want her look a chun rotten away. Not a good thing. Not a good thing. Not a good thing.
Serious thing. So they can't think so joke me and make me. No, come make joke, my love.
Okay, them take it serious. All right, now say a word, you know, Elaine, always a pleasure. Yeah.
Blessing.
Yeah, man, protection, man.
And
cool.
Bless up your people, them who are listen. Free people, TamFam
Our people. TamFam. Oh, and TamFam straight down. All right, Elaine. Yeah, man. Blessing, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah. Elaine had a close call there. We're glad she's okay. She survived that ordeal. And, you know, it can be a good thing for a woman to be assaulted by a little body Doppy. Yes, and I'm saying that with a straight face. Doppy assault you is not a good thing. Whether the Doppy body big or the Doppy body little, it can be a good thing. And we don't go around wishing bad things for people. nor will we be negligent and complacent in allowing bad things to happen to people and to be apathetic about it. No, we don't do that. So even though we not wish bad things to people, we don't want to even hear say bad things after people. And along those lines, no one should be comfortable with a woman that get sort of by a Doppy with a big body or a little body, resulting in her little chun chun a rotten away. That's not good. And it's serious. Into my heart, into my heart, come into my heart, Lord Jesus. See, the brethren who called earlier, Eldon, said he's praying for Nash. That's good. Good. So Queen Nash, you're getting some prayers there, you know, so you're getting some help. People them a look out for you. Send powers and protection your way through prayers. That's sure ya. That's sure ya, that's sure ya, that's sure ya, that's sure ya, that's sure. All right, moving right along. All right, all I don't know what to show if you now follow me and follow me now. And again, do remember, I'm here Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. or later. From 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. or later. Right, yes, upon TikTok, see? Ragashanti live on TikTok. Do remember also, all my shows are over on YouTube, the full show. You can't put the full show them here on TikTok. Them can't go on TikTok. TikTok only allow an hour. And besides, nobody now watch nothing long over here, but they do on YouTube. So all the full shows are on YouTube. We're over on YouTube, okay? All of them over there on YouTube. Where? TamFam TV. So all I want to listen right now, TamFam TV. Right? TamFam TV. So here I want the whole I want to do right now. Just jump over YouTube real quick, put in TamFam TV and subscribe to that channel. And when you subscribe over there, that is like follow over here. So when you subscribe over here, you have to pay a look at something. Over YouTube, when you subscribe, that is just following. So I want to jump over there right now over YouTube and subscribe to that channel. TamFam TV over YouTube. And then know say all I'm sure them over there, even the long time Ragashanti live, them from Jamaica days, them over there, right? Even the Ragashanti live, them women that do over YouTube and no found and no know. So I just want to jump over YouTube right now and put in TamFam TV. When you see it, you see TamFam with the T and the F in blue and the AM and the AM in black with the Tambourine. And my channel that. Just jump over there. Subscribe to that channel there, and over there, all Ragashanti show there. Well, not out of the shows, you know, but all of the Ragashanti show them over there. TamFam TV over YouTube. So just jump over there and I'm going to a minute. I'm going to just jump over there and subscribe to the channel, which is like following. All right, I see some people subscribe to the channel, okay? Yeah. All right. TamFam TV on YouTube. So over YouTube, TamFam TV. All right. I'm going to do that. Just go subscribe. I remember over there, subscribe is like following. All right. Subscribe is like following over there. So cost you nothing. A Raga channel. And it's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Ragashanti live shows over there. All right. Hello.
Hi, Raga. Good night.
Good night.
Yes. About the pastor. I have a story about a deacon.
Yes, tell me about the story about the deacon. Yeah.
In well, the deacon was my great granduncle.
Okay.
So there's a couple of women that was in his church.
Mm-hmm.
They had a husband, and he had children with them also.
The deacon.
Yes, and then one, like, the children, them, like, all of us in the community knew, like, they look like him, they have the resemblance of
Mm-hmm.
him.
Mm-hmm.
And in another community, you know that a brother and sister got married because they didn't know that he was the father, because, a man, they married and have them wife, and the wife is messing with the deacon, which is the husband, don't know. So when they get the child now, they give it to the husband. And
Right.
so you have a lot of other children in the community that the deacon impregnate them and they give it to their husbands.
Right. The husband them get the jacket, and then you say a brother and a sister end up a get married and never know, so them a brother and sister.
Yeah, get married, so everybody start, and they have children together, and then eventually they separate.
So hold on. So how them did find out no?
People start to talk about it, and when the children them go, then start to tell them that their father and their mother is brothers and sisters. And I almost get involved in it because I knew this guy where, we knew each other, and the guy was in love with me, but he was much older.
Mm-hmm.
And we were, like, kissing, but we didn't get intimate, and he traveled abroad, and he come back, and he decided he want to get married to me.
Mm-hmm.
And I sleep with him one time, and then he tell him mom that he want to get married to me. And the mom said, no. And she said, why not? Then he's telling that we are cousins, and tell him that how it go on. So we didn't know. So it's a lot going on in a lot of communities where.
Wow. So you and him did it one time and never know someone did related. So when him got,
then him tell him mommy want to get married to me. So that's
yeah.
That no, it can happen. We are blood.
Wow.
Yes.
And
he don't have his mom doesn't have his dad's name, So
okay.
His mom was my granduncle.
Hold on. Somebody asleep beside you?
No one is sleeping next to me. I heard this sound too. I don't know where it's from.
Yeah, it's not the first call I hear this weird sound in the background. But anyway, go on. So what do you say? His mom did not have one?
His name.
Oh.
She had her stepdad's name.
Oh, so she never have a real father name.
No. There's
okay.
a lot of children in a lot of communities where this happened. The deacon or the pastor.
Right.
It's not just one community. It's a lot of community in Jamaica. Yeah, because a lot of people don't talk, but a lot, it happen a lot.
Enough place it one.
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, so when the church sister go to church to open the church or close up the church or clean the church, and the deacon is there and stuff. And my granduncle was so holy, him always a preach, and him always a shake him shoulder when him come church hot, The sister them a jump and a praise and dancing, and you can't believe those things was going on. Yeah,
but so why you think? I mean, those pastors people can say, they're actually ungodly and things like that. So why you think they're all these women end up doing it with these men, and them know exactly what they're doing, so them are, burn them husband. And why you think these women sleep with these, knowing that the pastor sleep with so many other women, but them still go sleep with them?
Because them preach so nice, or maybe the preaching nice or something. Because my granduncle him could preach, when him ready to shake him shoulder and preach the gospel, the church catch a fire with them man, with the woman then.
Oh, Oh, so you think that part of it is where them preach, I know them talented with the preaching and thing like that.
Yes.
The
And
women
the
them
singing.
find that sexy and just give it
Yes,
up to
and
them, though.
And the singing too. Them singing too, him could sing.
Oh, him go and sing.
Yes.
Oh, I say it's a woman love a good singer.
I love a good preacher and a good singer.
A good preacher. Well, that's probably why them not want me, because I can't sing for save my life, you know, so.
Yes.
That's probably why they don't ever fart for me.
Maybe. So, yeah, a lot of communities, all these things happen.
But I'm glad in your situation it never got too serious and you guys didn't
the
go
mother
get
stand up and say, no, it cannot happen. And my grandmother said the same thing because they was hiding it. You know, everybody was hiding it. But
them did hide it and then it bust out. After from them
when they decided that we was gonna get married, that's when they realized that we were friends like that. We were all that, you know, then they said that we are related. It cannot happen.
Right. Interesting. Well, thank you for sharing that one day 990. Are you?
Yeah, all right.
Blessings, man. Thanks a lot. Greetings.
Hey, Raga, what's up?
I'm there. I give thanks. You know, I'm going with you.
Long time listener.
All right.
I've been listening for you too a long time. This program is so interesting.
All right.
I'm
glad you like it.
From out of the days. Till now. Yeah, listen to you, boy. I usually listen to you.
Oh, one line. You used to listen out there.
Yes, I was going to do stuff.
What you just say a while ago?
I did stop them too.
You just... Hold on. Talk to Master. What you mean you do this stuff? You do this stuff them too?
How you mean? Same time when the person there start out too?
When you listen out of order, you did that one with the things them to do. But hold on, is out of order make you do the things them or you didn't know if you do the things them before out of order?
It brought me out.
Out of order do what?
It brought me out bad.
Because when you listen out of order, you hear the something them, you do it and out of order make you broke out and do the something. That is interesting.
Yes.
Because the way you're giggling and you're laughing, you know it's true. Because it's like you're remembering, don't you? So weird. So sometimes when you listen out that you kind of get in another mood and you just do this.
It hot.
Get your heart done.
Yes.
Out that broke you out done.
What bad? I don't know how to say. Many person attack again, but every time I remember, say, I usually was rag under the altar.
This is just so good. I remember, and it's just exciting when you remember when you used to listen out there and go on with the something of them done.
I drop me serious. Me say, every time I go, yeah, me don't know, sir. I do see on this Tik Tok, I say, no, sir, I gotta come, I have to watch him.
No, but here we are going now. In the subscribers only live here, including the one tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
You see, all of them premium content there where you know about from out there, that I got in the subscribers only live over here, you know.
Well, I need to go do that, you know.
You know, so I have 10 years of out there show right, sit down pan right, you know, so. Yeah, I'm going to play them in but only in the subscribers only, like, you know, out there premium content, you know.
Oh, Lord, I'm going to tell you, it make me night, me day, so me listen.
Area. What a way you broke out and go on with the something of them.
Raga, me not lie, yo. It is nice, boy.
It is nice, though. Yeah, man.
Wait, the girl name again? Miss nice wife. And them people that, oh Lord, them.
No, man, then go out. I only pass up on out there, man. I only pass up on go. And then, you see, because out there, it's so like heavy and you know what and
Yes.
thing. I have it and people are asked for it for so long, but me not, but now that I have this platform for do it in a way where it's private. So people have to pay if it come do, so it's not public and things, so people have to pay for hear it and thing like that. I feel better about it now that we're there,
When we back something like them, I tell us, me can't stop think about it. You're not easy there, you know that.
Who, me? I'm innocent. I'm an angel here.
No, you're not, sir.
Yes, I am. I'm an
Red.
angel.
You listen, you always say you're red.
Yeah. Come on, always a read. I'm an avid reader.
Every day I gotta read a book. Lord have mercy. When you
Yeah.
gonna read?
No, so I'm not stop reading, My goal is to be the world's greatest librarian. Yeah.
And these shows, I'm gonna tell you, uplift my spirit.
Blessings, man. You know what? Yeah.
Order, everything. I listen to it. It teach me a lot.
It teach you a lot. It make you laugh. It
My
give
sad
you
days, my bad days, my good days, it keep me going.
proper. That make me feel
Show me the
good.
love though. On one show me the love at the altar.
What? No. What? Hold on. Wait. What's going on here? It's just like It's like you remember you're just losing it right now because you remember you used to go on with all of the something of them done.
That's
You are in stitches here.
I'm telling you.
Memories don't leave like people do. They always stay with you. So it look like you did do all of the something of them,
I almost try. I'm keeping my mouth shut.
No, yeah, keep him on, John. Say it in the sub live, say it in the sub live tomorrow.
Don't keep it.
Yeah, say it in the sub live tomorrow, all right?
All right. Thank you for listening. But thank you for your show. And we are so happy to have this.
Blessings, man, all right? Respect and
Have
honor.
a good night. Thank you.
Yeah, people, boy. She just a laugh and I remember the something of them, man. Bad.
Raga, you see what happened to? Who you just listening to, I hear the phone, the man, and then listen now, I'm so giggling. We said, it's not like the way how the people usually go on.
Yeah.
You listen, you say, but wait, something go on. That's what I say, boy, this thing is happening to, boy, I'm telling you. What?
Yeah, it helps you to decompress and relax and laugh and enjoy yourself, right?
Just every time the man that call me, Stacey, remember we just listen Ragabash, how we do it again? I said, no, I'm not coming back, let's talk.
And that him a do him want to relive them days they do.
Yes, he want me to come back. No, me not.
Go relive them exciting days. They want to listen out and go on with something. Them and go.
That time bad. Oh, Lord.
Yes, man. Go see you when you're well spread out and go on with this and that.
Who tell you?
All right, boo boo. All right. Raga loves you too, darling. Something tells me you're gonna sleep really well tonight.
I will get you do too.
You feel like? Okay, all right. She is just in stitches. Yo, goods, I feel it, Goods, I feel it. Do remember my party Saturday the 20th of September at the Amazura in Queens. Saturday the 20th of September at the Amazura in Queens. And if you want to buy your tickets directly from me, you can contact me at 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Let me take one more because we're gone beyond the time right now. And what is a boy here do up at this time of night, ya people? Eh? What is he doing? He's in London. Craigton.
What going on?
It's 8 minutes past 3 in the morning.
And you choose to remind me, not true?
Well, good old, you sound exhausted.
I'm out like a lamp, brother. No curse, now. I left out like a lamp.
You see it.
Just a quick reminder. But the giggle a while ago, the lady was giggle a while ago.
Yeah.
Raga, you remember when Tambourine Radio used to run, right?
Yeah.
Repeat them used to go on round the clock, 24 hours, eh?
Yeah, we used to repeat the show, yeah.
I wanted the author that get to it and repeat. George, you remember? One series of the author order, get to it and repeat. Data in a broad.
Oh, people, what happened is Tambourine Radio there, but Outarda was on Tambourine Radio, but Outarda was late at night. So we did have the day show, right, which was Ragashanti live, and we did hire other people to do them show. But we ran some repeats of Ragashanti live in the day show, and one time one Outarda go get to in a day show. Yeah, problem, yeah man. Problem. I remember a woman linked me and say, she cuss me, you know. Say, oh, the show running up people. So she said, you have to do better and whatever, this and that and thing. And then while I cuss me, cause them time they, you know, make correct and tell you, the author show them long, you know, them go out 5-6 hours, you know.
Yes, man.
And she cuss me and said, if you do better, you can't make a mistake like this happen and whatever and thing like that. And while I cuss me, she said, you just had me sitting there for 5-6 hours listening to this thing. So I was just, whoa. What do you mean I had you sitting there? You just tell me, say, this thing I was discussing and thing you tell me, say, you sit on there and listening for the 5-6 hours. And then there was a silence. And I'm like, hello? Silence, hello. And she's like, but how could you not? Once you start listening, you can't stop, even if it's bad. Oh God, man! Those were the days.
We call it the giggler. The giggler. I can just see her, you know, in action. As in, when you get the instruction, like the man and the woman did that, you say, all right, you are. It only did it. All right, strip off. Bullet. You always instruct the people, you know, slow motion. But
you know, correct. You know, so I never tell them somebody do them something that you just tell them, you know.
Oh, sorry.
No. All right. So people, there was a thing back in when Outarda go on, when we're not going on it, but people, this was radio, so this was a TV, so people come on the radio, and then I do, and me with my mischievous self, yeah, I would start giving them instruction and telling them what to do, and you know, it was fun. It was fun. It was fun. Them time them a bad, you know, bad Pickney, you know, man. Aye, boy, those were the days.
One brother, when I'm going to say, one brother did it in my, sorry, the woman said, he might do so and so. And he said, what? My sweat? Yeah, man.
No, man, that's the first viral one. That's the first viral. Yeah, when him did that. He must swipe and I start give instruction and I say, and then
when he said to talk and he couldn't talk, I ended up at
well, and all the viral call him, I know that one that they go viral, but you know which one me that never forget, Craigton? Remember when the man say, yo, him did always I try to get him wife a swipe or him wife I try to get him. I think him always I get her for swipe. I try and she no want do it and thing and because him want swipe her, must say so. When me don't you remember it. And when him finally convince her, and him say, we might do it, and she, I think she did get it the first time, and do it, and then him same ear she get excited, and she say, Yebs, may I come? And him say, after she said that, him come to, and him say a whole heap of EMT around him and emerge. You remember? And he must say, like, what happened? Like, because I remember say him have no concept of time, you know. Him no know say him pass out the whole time, you know. So he must say, like, yeah, me and my wife did not do something and she just said she come. I said, just say she come, dog, you nearly drown. I drown. Yes, blessed and them I said remember it. To the people them I said remember it. Yo, I will never forget that one. Man, I said, tomorrow night, subscribers only, tomorrow night. No, but the one them man, the one that you take the key, God, it's like the dog just lose all concept of time. And them I say, big man, yes, your wife pop off and thing, a crazy water reach, you nearly drowned, dog. You answer, you're lucky if you're alive right now and thing. Man, dog, wake up and when the same in the hospital or the EMT them did round him right there in them house. When did they?
I can't remember. That one so like in an ambulance on the way to the hospital.
Some man, but I remember just like him see all of the EMT, the emergency personnel around him, and he must say but me and my wife just had to do something. Dog, you nearly drown and thing. I save your life, you know. Yeah? Or them the people them you see what they remember them I say it was in the house. They must say him be still in him house. Yeah, cause them revive him. Yeah. See that? You see what they remember? You see what they remember? Yeah.
Yeah, what no disrespect. I'm loving him. I'm gonna my bed.
Gone on your bed. Yeah, you see him there, you listen with people and him have work a morning. I land on him there, you know. And by the way, people, this a man you fly all the way from London come a Ragabash. Can him no miss none. Big up yourself, Papa. All right, cool.
Man has the respect, man.
My brother, cool. Because I'm going to Lego yet now too. So, yeah, man, cool. Yes, my dad, cool. So, two things, people, all right. So, the regular listeners, me now come back until Monday, all right? So, Monday. To subscribers, you have your show tomorrow. Subscriber only live tomorrow. Sub live only tomorrow, all right? What do you mean 4 people waiting to talk to the great Raga? No, the show done right now, you know? The show is supposed to be 6 to 9 from Mondays to Thursdays. And on Fridays, we're going to do sub live and things. So, for those of you who are not subscribers, I'll be back here on Monday at 6 p.m. I might play a little music on Sunday, I don't know. All right, but just that would just be music, some little soul's music. But in terms of the show, the talk show, I'll be back. Queen Ash, big up. I'll be back on Monday at 6 p.m., okay? This is for the regular talk show. For the subscribers, you have your show tomorrow, okay? All right. Tomorrow, yeah. No, it's still 6 to 9. 6 to 9. But of course, U.S. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So 6 o'clock here, it's 5 o'clock Jamaica time right now. It's 5 o'clock in Texas. 6 o'clock is 3 o'clock in the West Coast, California, Washington, and so forth, Nevada. You know, different times. So when you hear me I give time, it's New York time, okay? So again, subscriber live tomorrow. All who want to listen to the show there, you have to subscribe. And it's a full show tomorrow. Full subscriber show tomorrow. Full show. Right? Not the usual 1 hour or so. When not the usual 1 hour or so. Where we usually have, like, if we have a sub live after a regular show like this. So tomorrow is a full sub live show, okay, for subscribers. All right. Take care of yourselves, people. All right. And thanks for hanging out. This was a great show tonight. All right. It was an incredible show tonight. All right. Bless upon yourself and things. Subscribers, see you tomorrow in the live show. Everybody else and thing, see you on Monday at 6 p.m. And then just come here every Monday to Thursday at 6 p.m. And we'll be here having Ragashanti live on TikTok. Bless upon yourself. All right. Respect. Cool.